Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody, let's get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people.
I'm feeling better today, BT. I am feeling better today.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
A lot better. Much better. Much better. Much better. Much better. Much better. Much better.
Up there, up there, up there. Up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave for me damn bad mind. You can't stop in a revival time.
Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
Everybody!
A Mixup and Blenda time.
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? All TamFamers, big up on yourself. Good afternoon, good evening, 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 good evening on this an election day in the beautiful country of Jamaica. Once a big up all comrades, big up all labor rights, big up all Jamaicans, right? Big up all Jamaicans and thing election day. Yeah. All right, Deep Paul, Messiah and thing, Craig Tan, Large up and thing, the whole works, big up on yourself. All who day and thing as gonna come, just tap up your screen, tap up your screen, tap up your screen. Wanna know what the thing said, Goddess Athena, big up. I said respect to all of my subscribers, them big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, all of my subscribers, them large up on yourself, everything is everything, seeing? Yeah. Wanna know what the level is set? Yes, I am feeling better. I was out of it yesterday. I felt a little better as the show went on, but even when the show finished, I was just like, you know, when your body a fight, I have something. Cause you know, say, I don't sleep well, but I eat well. Don't run in. Me don't want to hear. Me don't want to hear it. Me don't want to hear it. Right? I don't sleep well, but I'm eating well. Food. Yeah, food with pepper on it. Food where you juke up with knife and fork. So when I say I'm eating well, that me I talk about, right? Me not running for enough for no look at arms also not going to come with right, you know, and come cast and look at aspersions and all these things. I eat well. Food with scotch bonnet, pepper on it, juke up with knife and fork, cut up on all these things. That's my thing there. All right? But I don't sleep well. So I need to sleep better, you know? I'm in stress. Carmen Rubin, I was your nurse last night. Hey, Karen, you were my nurse last night. Damn, Karen, you can't be that good. If you were my nurse last night, I may never know. That means you never have no impact. I don't even know, so you're there. Eh? You was my night nurse last night, and me never know. That means you never give me the forget me not care. You never give me the must come back care. You never give me the Afitania so care. No, Karen, you think, no, Karen, how that for happen? You did there and nobody never even know say you're there. That means say you think no good like that, man. That me I tell you, you say you full up a one bag of talk and thing, and yeah. You see it. You think the 100 be. I want me this so. Eh? I want me this so, Karen. Yeah, bring down. You know, Mr. Yo, big up all subscribers, all my subscribers. Me big up on yourself, you know, man. Danielle subscribers, you're trying Candy, Queen Nash, Kalia, Christina Brown Sugar, Craig Tan, Cookie Monstress, yeah, Sexy GG. And Mistress, you're not a subscriber? That is so bad, you know. But anyway, big up all of my subscribers. Karen Robino. All right. Sexy GG, me see ya, man. Bullpuss, oh, you not subscribe. Bullpuss, oh, you for do that, Bullpuss. Oh, you not subscribe to my channel. Eh? Yeah, all right. Tina Lee. Yeah, man, I have to big up my subscribers, them, you know, because yard man, big up yourself, you know, because uno make it happen. Right? Sonia. Wait, is that the Sonia? Sonia Butters. A Grenada Sonia that? Sonia, you change your name? Sonia, are you that? Are you change your name? Sonia. Talk up. Are you change your name? Sonia Butters, come I can't see. Mama Bird in the place, subscriber. Make Meekes ever bless. I mean, Strish, just subscribe. Big up yourself, boo boo. Big up yourself. Yeah, big up yourself, Mistress. You just subscribe. Love and blessing. Oh, sub live later. Okay, subscribers live later. Right. And Tarsha in the building. Hold on, is that Sonia? Grenada Sonia? When name Sonia Butters, is she that? Sonia, are you that? Eh? Are you that, Sonia? Talk up. Becky said, Raga, your shirt look good. Thank you. Becky is a subscriber. Large up yourself. Keisha in the building. Keisha 241. Large up. Oh, is she? Okay, cool. Yo, we have to rate Sonia, you know, because as I come over here, you know, Sonia, the first somebody subscribe, you know. She never eat right away, Sonia. You know. Oh, by the way, today the lady asked me for my name, you know, my full name as it in my passport, to buy my ticket for Grenada in December. Yo! Yes, man. I'm going to break my virginity in Grenada this December. I'm meaning I'm going there for the first time. Okay, right. So, yes, I'm going to host a wedding reception there in Grenada this December. I'm really excited about that because I've long since wanted to go to Grenada. And on multiple occasions when I thought the opportunity had arose for me to go to Grenada, things and stuff happened and I wasn't able to go. And I feel quite confident about this one that I will indeed be going this December, so I'm excited about it. Even though I'm just going to be there for a few days, you know? All right. Fifi. Yeah, man, I have to big up my subscriber and I'm a mistress. Welcome. Nika. Wait, Nika, I thought you were a subscriber. I thought Nika was a subscriber. Is it Nika a subscriber? Nick's Chemical, proper subscriber. Yeah. See there? All right. She rises strong. She's a subscriber. Big up yourself. And of course, Miss Punky, a subscriber. Straight up. Yeah. So big up all subscribers, you know, and thing large up on yourself. And I say, uno make this happen. Uno, a phone show this, you know, uno make the show happen. You understand? Blessings and respect, people. Everything is everything. So when I say, big up all show and big up all pow. Oh, some of me and I understand them. The show is an abbreviation for shower, which is JLP. All right. So, you know, the street, show. You know, them even yell up them one another that way. Well, go on, Mike, show. I saw them yell up them one another. And then POW, a PNP, which is a short for power. Because traditionally, PNP was always power, you know. You have some monikers that are associated with each party, you know. JLP, they'd have high up, right? PNP, they'd have... Bullpuss just, hey people, big up Bullpuss, you know, Bullpuss just subscribe for 1 month and thing. Big up yourself, Bullpuss, yeah. You know, foundation man, man, they juggle with Ragashanti, man, and load up them thing, load up on whatever, you know, boy, ever support me, you know. Bullpuss, big up themselves, so PNP, the power for PNP are short for power. You know, and then back in the day, PNP was also stand firm. And JLP was high up. You know, and them over the years, them have them different thing. And which one was better must come? It was PNP or JLP. One of them was better must come and all these things and whatever, you know. A mistress just sent a dolphin. Big up yourself with a dolphin there, mistress and things. So, yeah, it's an interesting election in Jamaica. Supposedly the polls are saying it's quite close. So, it sounds to me that it's going to be decided on turnout. You know, the last time the PNP got a terrible shellacking from the JLP, like whop up, wicked. So on don't follow dog bite. Dog bite. No, dog bite. No, dog bite. Dog bite. Subscribe right now, dog bite. That don't look good. Dog bite, that don't look good. Dog bite, I'm a bona fide general and thing, like your ratings turn up over here and sitting and whatever and thing like. And you know, so dog bite, subscribe. Don't make it look so. Dog bite, subscribe. Subscribe, dog bite, subscribe. Who send that? A Fifi send that. Fifi, big up yourself. Okay. All right. Yes, Sonia, tell dog bite, say it don't look good. It don't look good. It don't look good. And then don't follow dog bite, but him say PNP when them don't know yet here. Him don't know yet, but it's close. And if the polls are any indication, it's going to be decided on turnout, you know, who get, you know, a turnout. Kalan come in and say, Raga, I wear a blouse. Now, since you are going to beat me can beat you too, right? Since you are going to try beat me and say, Raga, I wear a blouse, like, you know them clothes. This is like beach wear and thing like that. So since you beat me, I'm going to beat you too. Clan. Go clean your bathroom, right? You come over here with your hungry belly self. Because I don't even have to look on your thing. I know it's a white squall there, your mouth can. And you come and say, come and take set for my good shirt when me buy and all them some. Go clean your dirty bathroom, man. You come over here, come apart, I take step with me and whatever. Don't. I take skin and broad back, do it up here, you know. Clan, go clean your dirty bathroom, right? Yeah, that you forgot to do and allow me. You understand? You are one of them after you put your underwear in your laundry basket, you go back and take them out and put them on back again. Leave me alone, right? No, because you're under crisis and thing, and you're a big foreign and can't afford a good set of underwear and whatever, you come and say, come and try. Allow me on my top, clan. Clan, please to go about your business and thing, yeah. You understand? If enough people bun, you don't even eat good food up here. People bun, you eat, clan. Don't talk to me. Don't even come and try it. Okay? Don't come and try it, clan. How are you? You understand? Sometimes I don't even like beat people, you know, because but I like when I beat them and then I see them as nothing after because sometimes I see them can't take it, you know. Right? Yeah. Right, because sometimes them come and them not understand what I go on. Wait, the clan is a man and woman. Clan a man and woman. Yes, see, yeah, clan understand. Clan understand what I go on. Love you, Raga. I listen you from high school. See it there. All right, then. Cool. No, because sometimes I don't know people, I don't like beat them for the fun, you know, because some of them don't understand my thing, and you start beat them and then them disappear, you know, see them. Yeah, you know, sometimes I beat people and then them just disappear and thing, and I don't see them and them just take it, you know, them take it to heart and thing, and them don't know the levels over here, and sitting, and then, you know, sometimes I'll feel bad, you know. And sometimes them all send me a text and start cuss me. Why did you have to speak to me like that? And I was only joking. And this time I never did a joke back to. You understand? Anyway. So Raga, why you wearing green today? You know, say it have nothing to do with politics and whatever. I notice say when I have this thing, I like once politics come on, people can't wear them clothes again. Once politics come, this is according to a woman, this is not even green. Right? According to uno, see green there, that are green. According to uno woman, this is not even green. Right? That uno call green. This I want to call olive. And them look at it, right? Some of them know how the phone come and try make. No, this is not even what them call army green. Kind of close, but this is what the woman them call olive. Right? Right? Anyway, again, big up all subscribers. Raga, how do I subscribe? Just look at the bottom of your screen. You will see a star with a circle around it. You click that star and the rest is intuitive. All right? Make sure you click the thing them. Queen Ash, big up yourself. Not Lee large upon thing, all right? So again, Golden Lizzie 72, you asked the question, Raga, how do I subscribe? Click the star at the bottom and, well, the star with the circle around it, and then it should be intuitive from there. And thank you for subscribing. And big up everybody who has subscribed. And sub live after the show. Again, we're going to have the regular show and we will segue into a sub live later on in the show, okay? And again, Estelle is a Raga sub live tonight. Yes, but Estelle, made by Estelle, you're not a subscriber. But we are having a sub live tonight. And again, it's another outer order sub live. And again, just be forewarned. Mama Bird, big up yourself. You know, anybody, Mama Bird, if anybody trouble you, call me. If anybody trouble you, Mama Bird, call me. Call Raga. Me will deal with them case. You understand? Oh, we can't beat up physically. We get them Bigfoot. Yeah. All right. I just want to remind you again, be forewarned. The sub live later on is an outer order sub live. That means it's the subject matter is going to be heavy on the sex side, you know. No Golden Lizzie, the sub live is not going to be, I'm not sure what you mean by Munchi say, yeah. Oh, yes, it's, yeah, right here on TikTok. Right when the show, what happened? Okay, Golden Lizzie, you don't know. Sometimes when I'm having the regular show, sometimes we would just segue into a sub live, whereas only subscribers can hear it, okay? And that is going to happen today. Not only that, we're going to have a full sub live show totally by itself on Friday, okay? All right. Made by Estelle. No, there is something going on with TikTok that right now, presently, people cannot gift sub lives to somebody else. My suspicion is that's going to change after the 15th of this month when TikTok do them new system of subscribers that they will call super fans. It's a TikTok thing, you know. So that's going to. Wait, am I correct? What's up, people? Dog Bite, just subscribe. Big up Dog Bite, just subscribe. Yo, my brother, large up yourself. Miss K, I'm feeling much better today in comparison to yesterday. Yesterday and the day before, I wasn't feeling well. And when me not feel well, me don't even look for my phone, you know. Yeah, me just kind of, yeah, me don't even, I've just been out to it, you know. Raga, is this your first time coming on this week? No, I came on yesterday. All right. Dog Bites, I never understand how to do it. Yeah, that just asks for trouble. I'm going to leave it alone, though. Yeah, that just asks for trouble, you know. I'm going to leave it alone. Del Marine Welsh in the building and thing. I can't bet you she no beard. Dog Bite, you think Del Marine beard? Based on her post, high all. Based on her post, you think it's a Del Marine beard. That look like a no beard post. No beard post. Who saying that? Goddess Athena, big up yourself. Tammy. Tamia Magan, just subscribe. Big up yourself, Tamia. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. All right, Chrissy T, you need to subscribe also. And thing again, big up all subscribers at Uno. Make the show happen over here. I would just baby girl J, big up yourself, Dog Bite say Delmarine beard because him just smell her and she smell good. See it there? Ellie says, Raga obsessed with people who no beard, Yeah, that's probably why I'm obsessed with you, though. People don't get it twisted. A decade you know Ellie. Don't worry yourself, Ellie, I will charge you from long time. All right. No fun to enjoy it because of people like Ellie who are support the thing from foundation. And when they're on tour and they are Birmingham. Because Ellie live in London, and Birmingham is like 2 hours away. I do a local show, I just organize my own local tour. This a donkey years ago. Ellie, this about, I don't know, probably like 15 years ago, somewhere there. And I think that was the first time I see you in person. I saw it go, Ellie. Garth Mack, Raga, I'm not gay, but is it okay to tell you I love you? Yeah. That's cool. Even if people are going to say, yes, if I put it that way there, big up yourself, man. Right? Unfortunately, society don't allow us men, to tell each other, say, bro, big respect. That's most of my love you, respect, and then I'm not gay. I'm not gay. And I can't hear people telling people I'm not gay. But, it would have been good, if you're born if I bridge, you can say, dog, just know, say, man, love you and rate you, right? And just go and do your thing, and you understand? But society not allow for do it. That being said, though, people, I'm not gonna lie, there were some things I had to adjust to. Yeah, the first time I come, Golden Lazy 72, just subscribe. Welcome to the family. Big up yourself. When me just come to America, I came under the International Camp Counselor program, and these were like Christian people and whatever, to work on a summer camp here. And so when I came, when they met the people from ICCP, they were like, "Hi, Kingsley," and them coming out, going, and my thing was just whoa. Because I don't grow so. Yo, a foreign me come learn for hug, When we grew up in Jamaica, we don't hug something there, you boom a fist or whatever, right? And then even after the hug thing come in, as man, like my college brethren them, you can't hug, whatever and thing like that from US college. But my Jamaican brethren them, even bonafide, you not really hug, Even after it become normal, you know what you do? At most, boom, you hold him hand. And when you hold him hand, you lean in for your upper body. You know, hug so, you go so, yeah, where are some dog? Boom. You lean in, you must lean in. And when you lean in, when you put your hand, you must give him some bitch licking him. Well, when you have your brother there, say, yeah, we have some land. Yeah. And you must give him some ratty licking on him back. For giving him a little soft hug and thing. That's not too right? So even with the hug is coded in a way for it to be masculine. You don't want a little idiot, little sissy hug, right? And it must be a lean in. So you lean in, and your head must lean back. Or if your head go over, so you go, so boom. And lean, thin face lean, so your face lean, so. Yeah, where I said, dog, a long time I not see. Yeah, long time I not see you, bomb bat away, did them a lion. John, and if you give him some bitch thumping on him back, right? Because you can't come and say, yo, what? No, what you do? No, what kind of rub that? Yo, and what kind of rub that? No, you can't do that something the boy. You we are some lion and thing. No do that something because you don't nowadays you don't even know what is what, you know, because you don't even know who a try all screeching with you upon something, you know. Yes, you have a kind of alert more time. You understand, see? Yeah, and the other thing is respectfully, I grew up in a society, Jamaica, working class, where when we take robot or root taxi or whatever, when the name was root taxi, when we grew up, it was robot. You see, if a minivan come up, robot come up, and you are the last robot that for go your yard and thing because, you know, but when the robot come up, and you look, the only seat we left is a man sit down in the passenger seat, an empty seat in the middle, and then the driver. And if the only seat we left is the seat beside the driver, and you is a man who really want to reach a yard and you think this is the last robot and thing, this the Jamaica where me grew up in, you still don't take that seat. You still don't take that seat. Because right away, everybody I look for you like, where you go? Where you? That seat is exclusively for women. That is a Jamaica me grew up in. Anybody from my time can tell you. And I mean, I make up nothing. Anybody from my time can tell you. Right? The driver, them, no man no sit down beside the driver when we grew up. Cassandra say, all know. Well, me don't know how it's set all know, but me just tell you when me I grew up, right? No man no sit down beside the driver. You follow what me I say? When we I grew up, I saw the thing set. And if you go on like you want to take your seat, right away people start. So yeah, what you do? Go over some man, who you come sit down beside, and you know people in the bus I look upon you like, where am I take that seat there for? Where am I go? You understand? Them something then work when we grew up. So because of that, you know, say when me come a foreign and thing, I mean, I want bridging and thing and whatever, I want show did come out and I say, yo, we are going to movie, you know. I say, yo, man, we are touch a movie and thing, we are going to see that show there and whatever, and American youth, you know. And it was a movie theater in Manchester, Connecticut. We were at the University of Connecticut, and it was a movie theater in Manchester, Connecticut. And we go so bam, and we go to the movie, and we buy popcorn and thing and whatever, and we go sit down, right? And I think about 3 or 4 we go, but what of them, a youth, him man come sit down beside me in the movie theater. At the time, I had a seat, the boat and whatever, and the man come sit down beside me. Problem. Because it felt unnatural to me. Because me I tell you, say, we grew up in a society where, you know, if you sit down, so, you know, other seat there, you know, if it's the... So when the man sit down beside me, in my mind, me I said, John, you know, so I don't want him feel no way still or whatever. So me just say, I draw a look at card or whatever, you know, me just think fast, you know. I mean, have a look at popcorn and thing, and me just kind of spill little to the side and jump up. Oh, God damn. You know? And brush off a little popcorn and thing on the sides and sit down in the other seat. And I say, no, man, you stay where you're there, man. I'm good. He say, you good? I say, I'm good and whatever. And I make him no wise and whatever. You understand what I say? Because that's how we grew up. And you're bridging them going all a 4 hour go movie. Every man in our seat and space there between to before the next man and space. Ask Dog Bite if I lie, me I tell him. Ask Craig Tanner and lie. No man now sit down beside. If the theater ram and only them seat they left, then it's understood and you have to watch the show. You understand? But outside of that, you know, boom, yeah, you see it. All right. That's how we raise, man. But, you know, you get past certain things and whatever, you understand? So within reason, you know, certain things you must can say, you know what say, yo, General, big up yourself, you know, me know say you go through a little thing right now and depression and reach and whatever, you know, but me know why you go do nothing for hurt yourself or go do nothing, just know some man love you and rate you. No, you know, you can't do that. But you have certain other little thing to where as Jamaican, you can't take it too far, you know? Right? One time, I'm a brethren, Devon, big up yourself, you're dead and gone, but, you know, manners and blessing. One time, you know, when Devon, you know, some Jamaican come up at Poughkeepsie, you know, and some cool youth still, you know, and thing, and them they do farm work, apple picking something, and them come over and whatever, and I forgot I was going and bought some of my food, and we did there one of them malls, something there, food court, something there, and thing. And them I say, yo, no, something about taste the food, you know. And one of them go, so, yeah, taste it. Blood clot. They are like, no, dog. What you just do? I went, no, you know, take up food in a fork and I give me, no, my yo, no, don't do that. You not taste what? You understand, Bill, man. Understand yourself, man. You're Jamaican, you feed man in a fork or whatever. You're mad. Yeah. Right? You see it. So, we have enough of them look, singer Irie, big up. We have enough of them look thing they were, you know, we have to deal with in our thing about them. People with the wedding mix-up, you know, some of us want to come in with a mix-up them. Any wedding mix-up, you know, have or any other mix-up, but I have a look mix-up for going and things. I'm going to one yesterday. But the woman, remember the one I'm going yesterday about the woman, the man who she was married, never was married to her. So she got to her default man, the other man where she have. And she tell the man who she was married to, him she was married to, and him said, no, I'm not depend that. And she said, all right, I'm going to marry that man, but you, my love. And you hear what she said. In order to prove to him, say him she really love, even though she going to marry the other one day. She changed the hotel where she change in her wedding dress and sitting. She changed the hotel to go on different hotel where she have links and contact. So, according to her, she can sneak in the bonner man, the one where she claims that she really love, because she are going to make him jump up in her belly and think, send up something in her stomach, right? Shift her internal organs. She are going to dash out on her wedding day, in her wedding gown. She are going to make the bonner man sort her out. Why she say? Just to demonstrate to the bonner man, say, she's going to marry this man, but it's you, the bonner man, we love, and she want that for establish or whatever. So me tell you about that one day. So hear that one, you know. This woman, you know, she have a little man who has spent crazy money on her. So at first, she said she had name him out. She tell her sister them, she have 3 sisters. And she tell her 3 sisters them, she just name she had name him out. She not give him nothing. But the man spend money on her. The man nice. Till eventually, she tell her sister them, say, you know what, say, me go give him some. Me go boss him. Me go give him a one boss. Him deserve it. The man will buy her car, you know. But spend good, proper money on her, you know, man, an investment banker. Well, something to do with the investment banker, man. Something at the finance thing and whatever. Bright boy and all these things. And she goes so boom, and run it upon him. And she come back and tell her sister them, say, you know, say, him go on good. I never did I expect him to go on good, you know, whatever, and this and that, and just, but I not give him nothing again, you know, I just give him that little one there, whatever, because she said she have different people who she juggle with, right? Because she have different man, you know, she did that live her life, you know, but him a spend the big money upon her. And she give him a one kill and thing and whatever. And he dog get deep in love from that one something there, you know. And she said, she not run it pan. She just give him because him deserve a little run and thing. And she tell her sister them this. All right. Eventually, she get one man who she said she go settle down with. When she said she go settle down with a man, they know, she make Mr. Man know say, boy, the man here, but based on what she tell her sister them, say the man who she go settle down with now, she no want not to go jeopardize the thing, so she have to go stop. Even get involved with that one here who was sending her money pan her and all them. So she tell her sister them this, you know. So she stop chat to him. Him take it to heart and just nearly drop down and whatever. Bear the pressure and crosses reach him and all them something. Because you don't know him weak to the thing and don't even understand the road code and thing and get that look one run there. She quint it and squeeze it pan him and he made start mash up and all them something there. And you know them man, them you know, them frightened for pum pum certain way. So when him get some good pum pum, convince him in love and thing and whatever. And she did run him head for a long time anyway. Mash him up. Mash him up wicked. Hold on there. Oh, you know said that something here. I wait there. Oh, wait there. Oh, hold on there. Hold on, I'm gonna finish telling Mixup first. Right, mash him up wicked. So him out a road and thing and whatever. So one time now, after him go through film thing, mash up. She, you know, the same sister now who have her new man, you know. She got to one of her youngest sister and tell her youngest sister, say, me want you take some money off of him, you know, because him money turn up on them something there, so you can't take some money. You don't have to do nothing with him. It's not the younger sister go to her, you know. If she go to the younger sister, go say the younger sister said, no, she not do that. She tell the younger sister, say, no, man, just do it, no, man, and just collect some food off of him, man, and thing, and whatever. And eventually the younger sister say, all right, whatever. So she make the link and whatever, and him and the younger sister and him attack, and the younger sister play the game and whatever. Him start carry out the younger sister and thing like, and start spend on the younger sister now. And I send her money, and the younger sister dutifully, anything she get, she make the big sister know. Anything we run, she make a big sister know. A big sister get fear food out of it and thing and I go on. And, you know, the boy a good boy, you know, so him now move to her for front and all him something there, you know. You understand? Him now whisper in her ears and make she know, say, yo, when you come link me later, you know. And you know what's up, done. Him now do that something they do, right? He man do every step to her or whatever. After a while, a younger sister said to the big sister, say, he's really nice. He's really nice. He's really a nice man, you know. He's really all right. So the big sister said, I know. Them never tell her for a long time and thing and whatever. Wait. And then I go on. This is important again. The big sister go to the younger sister and say, if you want give him peace, you give him peace. You do nothing. So the younger sister said, no, I do nothing. She just say, you want to give him peace, give him, you know, because him can handle him business, you know. Him not the wickedest thing, but him good, you know. That's what the big sister tell the younger sister, you know. So the big sister asked the younger sister, say, like, you see yourself like you da give him some? And the younger sister say, yeah, he's really nice, you know. So the big sister said, go on, man. Let's give him a one run, man. And the younger sister said, you sure? And big sister said, yes, man. Let's give him a one run. I don't know, man. I don't tell us when they don't know, so me they give him a one run, man, and thing and whatever. But, you know, I don't want there with him and nothing and thing like that. So, and I me tell her to go over there and sit listen, all right? So, all right, the younger sister said, boom, all right, boom. The younger sister run it upon him now. The younger sister come back and tell her, say, you know, say you're right, you go on good, man. You know what him do, you know? And thing and whatever, wait. The younger sister tell her, say, actually, that's the best I've had. And me and him have this kind of emotional connection. So the big sister said, Ray, that wasn't the best me have and whatever, but, you know, but you don't know me at the road before you and me out there more than you and whatever. And the younger sister say, oh, that's the best I ever and whatever. And then I go on and I go on and I go on. I remember me want to know, understand, you know. Everything me I tell her is the big sister always a lead, you know. After a while, the big sister said to the younger sister, you like him like that? You look like you're in love. And the younger sister said, yeah, I am. I am really comfortable with him and him take care of me and he's a nice guy and we get along and whatever. And the big sister said, you want there with him? You want there with him outright because it look like so una move like on a day already and thing. And the younger sister like, you sure you're cool? And the big sister said, yeah man, there with him, man. There with him. And the younger sister like, you're cool with it, you're sure? And the big sister said, yes, there with him because you're in love already and all these things and whatever. The younger sister go. The younger sister and him, they outright. The big sister cool with it. Not a problem. The big sister relationship are going. The other sister, them a do them thing. The younger sister and him now outright there and everybody cool with it and thing like that. The younger sister and the dude now start meds about marriage. Right? And them a think about marriage and whatever. So it come up. So the younger sister pick up, say, him a pre, like him really want to seal up this thing here, you know? But the younger sister say at the time, no man, him didn't know say them a sister. Him didn't know they were sisters. No man, him know them. Him know I like sister them, man, or whatever. And thing, you know, but you know, a good boy, you know, and thing, right? So the younger sister says she pick up, say, you know, it a lead down this, you know, because he one of them man there, you know, man they wanna do the right thing type of man, whatever, you know. So the younger sister says she pick it up, you know. But she said, well, when she pick it up, she never know if it gonna happen. She say, you know, one of them situation, you know, when you know, say your man me a thing for propose, but you know, want to go jinx it, say, you know, say nothing. You want it for happen first, you know, and thing like that. People, as it happened, the older sister come tell the younger sister now one time, say, out of the blue, our man get up and left her. The older sister they found one piece of bawling and weeping and wailing and thing and whatever because fear man left her. Problem. Our man left her. Take it to heart and be a thing, depression, all kind of sitting and reach her and this, that, that, what. Okay. The Tuesday, and then the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 4 days after. 4 days after the breakup with the bigger sister. Miss a man now. Him don't know nothing about going with the bigger sister or nothing, you know. Him just there with female woman who's a younger sister now, which everybody accept, including the big sister. 4 days after him proposed to her, surprise proposal, she never know. Him proposed to her. The younger sister just surprise reach her thing, whatever. She accept. Because the relationship was accepted already. Everybody knew about it and whatever. Is the bigger sister, you know, tell her, say, she forgot there with him. Is she didn't need ask her, the bigger sister come tell her, say, go and go there with him, man, it's only in love, man, and all these things. So she accept the proposal upon the Saturday. But remember, you know, the bigger sister, man, they left her the Tuesday before. She accept the proposal from, she come home and she tell them, say, you know, in proposal, and she accept already. And she accept one thing. The two other sisters, them have a brother too, you know. They have two other sisters, but they have a brother too. The two other sisters, the brother, the mother, the father, and somebody else. We don't know, somebody else in there. Everybody excited and run over and hug her and all these things and things, except the bigger sister. The big sister Oh, they used to name him out and thing and all these things, but who did remember, follow, the big song or whatever. So the younger sister noticed and thing. After she noticed them, everybody else kind of noticed, so she never, whatever this and that. And it should give her a look of dry congratulations and thing and whatever. But everybody noticed it, according to the younger sister. Celebration and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. Later in the night now, the younger sister go to her and say, "What's up?" And big sister say, "I'm happy for you, man." And the younger sister is like, "Yo, but you don't look happy. Wagwan." So the younger sister kind of sense wagwan. The younger sister said, "Listen, it's you make me talk to him. It's you tell me if I go talk to him. It's you tell me if I there with him. I'm been there with him and it's not a problem. So what is the problem now? I tell you if I there with him, I never tell you if I married him." That the bigger sister say. I tell you if I there with him, I never tell you if I married him. Then the bigger sister, additionally, she say, "And you see what me I go through and call her man name and say the man left her. After she there with him so many years, him just get up and left her. And she said, just when my man left me, you run go accept a marriage proposal and thing like that. And you see what me I go through, whatever." Remember now, the younger sister's happiness should not be dependent on what she a go through with fear, man, But somehow in a fear, narcissism and her selfishness and whatever, she a make it look like the younger sister do something bad because she say, "You see, this is a big breakup for me and all them thing and whatever, and you see what me I go through, and you go accept marriage proposal and thing right after my man left me and thing. Oh, you expect me to feel and whatever." So at the time, the younger sister said to her, say, "Well, me understand where you go through and thing, but me never know when him a go propose. It was a surprise." So the bigger sister said to her, say, "You never know say him a go propose." And the younger sister explained to her, say, "Yeah, me did have some kind of inkling say it a go happen and thing, but me never know for sure. So me never say nothing because me no want to go think say me know and then it no happen and them something there and whatever." The bigger sister go say, "No, you see it? You always tell me everything, but you never tell me that. Anything with you and him, you always tell me everything, but you never tell me that. So you know what you did I do." So the younger sister said, "No, it's not even about that. It's that, yeah, me always tell you everything, but with this, like, we're there. You know, say we're there. And we're in love and thing, and me kind of sense it gonna happen, but, me never know for sure, so me just say me not say nothing to nobody. It wasn't even anything specific to do with you. Me just never tell nobody. Yet nobody can come tell you, so me tell you, say, him did I go do it. Right? But the bigger sister said, "No, you didn't know. And you want it and you never tell me and whatever. So the bigger sister made that an issue. Which shouldn't be an issue, obviously, because what the younger sister is saying is reasonable, She had said, "I never know. Me kind of suspect say him a go propose, but me never know if you fact when him say him a go propose. So me never say nothing to nobody or whatever." And the bigger sister make this an issue and thing. And again, the bigger sister make it say, "Yo, you see, my man left me and thing and whatever, and you come here now, come with this thing and whatever." So the bigger sister make it about her. Right? Cut long story short, the bigger sister tell the younger sister she don't know if she can be in at the wedding party. I that's what them there now. The bigger sister said she don't think she can in a wedding party. What is going on there, From when me I hear the older sister, the one who run game, The older sister, the one who bring her younger sister them and tell them all kind of How for run, how for treat man and all them something there, you know. And always the bigger sister run show. And she run boy head and all them something there. And she control everything and whatever. You understand? So she's the one who always a lead. She's the one who run the game. She's the one who are the leader and all them thing there, you know. And it's a classic situation where she not lead anymore. In this, you know, she don't look like the leader. Look like she a lose and the younger sister win. That's how she see it, which she should not see it that way there. You understand? If she really mature and secure in herself, she'd have said, but what a thing is, look how I just get beaten and thing at least, you know, me a whole of hell over here and something. But you know, I'm happy for my sister, at least me have something to celebrate. If she really love her sister, right? You cannot have a situation where you have a relative who is happy that, you know, happy about being married. You have a relative, and in this case, a sibling, who is happy about being married. And based upon what go on in your life, you basically say, yo, a wickedness, them are going over this if I go get married right now because that are going to make you unhappy in some way. By definition, that not right. By definition, that not right. Your siblings' happiness in their relationship should not be dependent on what you are going with in your relationship. And the truth is, she use fear breakup as a sort of you know, like she said, I'm going through hell over here, you know, and you're being happy, you know, like, you're not look out for your sister. But it's not even really about her breakup, right? The larger issue here is she wouldn't have a problem with the younger sister. Well, I'm not even going to say that. If say the young, I'm not even going to say that. Who for tell? Probably she's still there with her man and her man never left her. But the younger sister get married and fear her man now propose to her. Who for tell? She probably would have a problem with that too. Right? She probably would have a problem with that too. And when you have to pre-out or something like this is, and this is something I tell people all the while, you know. Because sometimes people get confused about this, you know. And I want to listen carefully. Somebody can really love you and care about you. Somebody can really love you and care about you and still love themselves way more than they love you. In a way where the love and care what them have for you is contingent on them always lead you. Somebody can really love, friend, even your mother and your father, your auntie, your this and that, your best friend and whatever. A lot of time this happen with friendships, right? And it can confuse people, you know, because people can say, but no, no man, she really love me for true, I really love me for true. I see people get confused, but so me not think say, you know, they mean me harm or them want anything bad for me. Because no man, I farm me and I come farm me. He really love me for true. She really love me for true. Some people get confused with that because they must say that love that is true. So based on the fact that that love is true, no, them can't wish me harm or no want me rise over here. So I can't so it go. Yes, it can go so. I mean, no, it kind of no make sense because then you're going to say, no, well, them never really love you. Yeah, people really love you, but let me tell you now, remember, you know, all relationships, any relationship is really an agreement. And any agreement has terms. You hear the phrase, the terms of the agreement, right? Remember this. All relationships are agreements. And every agreement has terms. So the agreement exists based on the following terms. And these are some fundamentals of contract. Okay, you have a contract and these are the terms. So that's a formal situation there, right? But I'm just saying, in your everyday existence, your friends, your co-worker, your whatever, all relationships have agreements. All relationships are agreements. A friendship is an agreement. A marriage is an agreement. It's all agreement. And all agreements have terms. The problem is that most of us, we don't take the time to notice the terms. Or, in fairness to a lot of people, sometimes the terms are there, but it takes certain events to happen, for bring out something, for say, this was a term in the agreement and I was unaware that this term existed. So with our big sister, there was an agreement. You're my sister and I really love you. And that love is there. But that one of the term of that love is that love will always be there as long as nothing happened to make it look like say you arise above me. Because once you arise above me, then the agreement becomes null and void. I have a whole heap of people out there like that. They'll be the most loyal, realest people with you. And again, this thing, I mean, we're talking about siblings now, but it happened a lot with friendship, right? You have a lot of friends out there, them cool with you and them love you and them loyal and warrior, beat up people for you, cuss people for you and thing, give you anything, always dead for you and thing like that, We all make sacrifice for you, But no make them think say you something happen for you where them are gonna believe say, yo, that better off than me. Then that same person will come to you and I say something like, I can't believe you that said that and thing after what me do for you and whatever this and that the time them have problem with you arise, and them something that can cloud up your judgment. Me can say, yeah, but them did really make sacrifice for me. Them did really love me for you and whatever. Yeah, them can do that. You have people who do that all the while as long as you don't rise. In fact, a whole heap of white people stay so. This is on a macro level now. A lot of the problems that we face throughout history and all them something there, white people stay so. Yeah, a lot of white people. I'm not racist, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But anytime them say black people are do well, it's like something inherently wrong there, so them can't deal with that, right? But I'm just saying on a micro level, these are the things that happen in relationship, and it can happen with sibling. I kid you not. Believe it or not, it all happen with parents too. You have parents love them pitney, love them pitney, love them pitney, love them pitney, love them pitney. Right? I wanna know it go. Most parents, them pitney all bring something again. Them say, no man, don't keep that man. Whatever, I'm good. I just want to see you happy. I'm glad on the pass the worst and whatever. Yeah, some most parents there. But believe it or not, y'all have some parents, them not even like see them pitney successful, and happier than them, Yeah, man, blood relative and them people, man. And when it crazy, when them stay so, and don't know say them stay so. Yeah. That are the wickedest part. When them stay so, and don't know say them stay so. But again, the key thing here, what confuse people is that this person was good to you. And these people believe that because them really did love you, and because them really do so much for you, they have a right to want to see you rise because them can't deal with it. Because them do all this good for you, you not for rise. And then when you arise, your rise now have nothing to do. You don't even think about, you don't have no competition with them. You just live your life. You just live your life. You don't even have a competition with them, but them see it as something against them. And things say because them did a show you that love there and them did dead for you and this and that. You not supposed to pass them out. Or you not supposed to get some good with them now get and whatever. And them have a right to say that to you. Because that was the terms of their agreement that constituted the relationship they had with you, the love they had with you, and things like that. And that I go on with the big sister. To the point where she fear is a ragga, why you over here chat my mother? What is something? All this thing going on. Yeah, why you over here chat my mother? Yeah, you see it, she say her mother. Her mother, yeah. And that's why it get confusing too, you know, when your blood relatives them a do it, you know. When somebody who peripherally who you roll with and thing, you can't say, yeah, you know, bad mind or whatever, but when your mother all do them something, you know, when your mother, hey, one of the most confusing things for people out there, you know, is when your mother, remember, you know, motherhood is held sacred, you know, we are raised that way, you know, to the point where it even supersedes fatherhood, right? Right? We're supposed to just adore our mothers. One of the most confusing, heart-wrenching things for people out there, you know, is when your mother love you, you know. You see your mother will bring you and make sacrifice for you and everything, and it's proven, so your mother love you. But when something come up and your mother jealous of you, or your mother look out for fear interest in a way where you must sacrifice your happiness in order to address fear interest. And then I will come up with some things now to tell you how she has proven her love to you in such a way that you should be obligated to suppress, sacrifice, repress your happiness in order to ensure fair one. And it gets even worse when it's a competitive thing. Yeah, you have mothers, them relationship now work, and because them pick the relationship happy and all them something, they don't have a problem with it. I beetroot juice, I do it today, you know. Yes, man. So anyway, that is that one. All right? All right. What you right? We are going for some mix-up now, so send up. David McNeil, just subscribe. Big up yourself. All who not subscribe yet, you can subscribe to this channel. Subscribe right now for me, please, before we get into anything. Just click the star with the circle at the bottom and subscribe. All right? Click the star with the circle at the bottom and subscribe. All right? Is it the case that people still cannot give subscription? People who know Queen Nash and them people there, and Tarsha, is it still TikTok? Remember me telling some, I think TikTok will go sort that out until after the 15th, but I'm just checking. All right. Is it the case that, you know, people still cannot gift subscription? Okay, and Tarsha said we still can. But okay, you can subscribe for yourself though. So all of you over here who you're not yet subscribers to this channel, and you can subscribe right now. Hit the star with the circle at the bottom and just subscribe to this channel, and you'll be supporting Ragashanti channel on TikTok, and you will be entitled to be in the subscribers only live, as will be the case today. You know, we have sub lives after some of the shows, and we'll have one today. Chucky, Jesus Christ, Chuckisha, you just a subscribe. Chuckisha, you just a subscribe, people. Chuckisha, people, I tell you, boy, you have some people who are support me from Dine Kingdom come. Chuckisha, one of them, all right? Chuckisha, one of them, you know? Right, Chuckisha, one of them. So big up yourself, you know, Chuckisha. Again, so everybody out there, if you can't subscribe, Chuckisha say, you make me join TikTok. Boy, anytime you hear them something, they warm my heart, you know. Right? You have some people, man, you know, them say me make them come over TikTok, you know. I just want to say give thanks to me, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, ANC people, them and them people, SDC and whatever, you know. Yeah. right? Some of those ones say give thanks. So again, anybody watching right now, if you can subscribe right now, please subscribe, right? If you have the resources to do so, you take out your local bank card or your credit card or whatever the case may be, and you subscribe, or you use whatever you can do it. I think you can use your PayPal account or whatever. Just click the star with the circle at the bottom and subscribe, right? Okay, and do that now. And do remember, we have a sub live later on at the end of today's show. We're going to segue over into a sub live. And again, tonight's sub live, again, be forewarned, it's an outer order sub live. So the topic is sexual and the language is raw. Okay? So again, you know, I know I sound redundant, but I have to keep doing this for people who just come in and things like that. You know, not everybody can handle the language that's in sub live. And then for most people, it's grown people and them can just deal with it and it's not a problem. But just know that is it. Proc! Just subscribe. Big up yourself, Proc. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Now, I'm going to set up that Robert Thompson. Don't worry yourself. I deal with that. I'm going to set up that. All right? Okay. All right. That is that. All right. So while we have people coming in who are subscribed. Oh, yeah, let me just do this thing here before I start take some call. Hold on. Where is it? Okay, here we go. I'm going to send up one request in the box. And I want it.
Good night, Raga.
And a good night to you, Wagwan.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, man, may I hear you? Hello?
You hear me? Good.
Yeah, may I hear you now? Yeah, with less noise behind you. You do something good, yes.
Okay. Raga?
Yeah.
I'm the oldest of 7 girls.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Only girls.
Yeah.
And me say I never knew mother. You said something well lit me a while ago about the mother situation. I never would expect this because it's only us, you know? My mom, my sisters. I want stepfather would deal with good, but other than that, it's just me, my sisters, and my mom.
Right.
And but think said because I was the oldest, I took care of my sisters. They would deal with, you know, like we grew close, right?
Right.
All right. I was like their mother. Mother never home. I was like their mother.
Mm-hmm.
And they said when everybody get big and start take man now,
Mm-hmm.
them start get disrespectful. And me decide said I decided I'm gonna start living my life for myself.
Mm-hmm.
Just want my life, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we used to catch up, girl.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
One bag of girls.
All right, yeah. Right there, so now, because we lost you just now, because you're doing some things while you're talking to me, you know?
Yeah, I just have finished up work. Sorry.
Yeah.
And me and the sister them end up fall out, and I moved away, and mother will fall out. Me and my mom could never really get her along because she love going like she a young girl too much. Like me and hers in the same category, and it's not.
Right.
So me find one nice man just come from Jamaica on a work permit, and he did a go on good. Me say at the first man me say, you see when me go a cash register, that man decides say him a go pay.
All right, wait, darling. Wait. I know you finished working on thing, but there's a lot going on around you and it sounds loud in the phone, yeah?
I'm done now.
Okay, all right.
So find the man nice, the man nice. Good man, everything, respectful. I would definitely about one. I promised myself I wasn't going to introduce him to my family. That's how bad it was. All right. decide say one of my sister them catch up in a problem and she moved to which city me there in and come there. But they pick me them.
Right.
All right. She catch up in a problem and I had to go take her out of a mental institution. Them lock him up in a mental institution. And everybody is telling me to leave her. She needs help. But I said, no. It's my baby sister. Me I go for her.
Right.
Not even 2 days. Them say, I smoke weed. Them say, don't give her no weed, which they know. You know, weed smoker, we share our weed. Where it. They say, don't give her no weed. Me not give her no weed. She run me down, call down on my boyfriend. Me tell my boyfriend not give her no weed. Till she end up cuss me, say, me not give her no weed. Oh, you have your man, and I don't have nobody, and I said, how you say you have nobody? You have me. You have your kids them. How are you going to say you don't have nobody over weed? You said the girl.
Wait. At this time, you brought her in with her kids to stay with you?
To stay with me and my man and my child.
Yes, okay.
So, when the little girl pack up and gone now, me not hear from him. Things happen with her.
No. You're not tell where the thing good, you know. But what
I
you
am.
mean? No. Pack up and gone where? You never tell me about
I
that.
don't know. That's to show you. I don't
Oh,
know.
no,
where
hold
she
on.
goes.
So are you telling us that she pack up and leave?
Yeah, she packed up and left.
Okay,
She
good.
didn't give her no weed.
True, you're not getting no weed. Okay,
She
all
didn't
right.
give her no weed.
All right.
Tell me about myself and about my business and what's it not and gone. I'm gonna say 2 years later. They say me and my man get one little house, and it's hard to get house in Canada, you know. And his boss gave us a good deal on a newly renovated townhouse, and we take the townhouse. And me decide say after how much years I'm working so hard, me I go to Jamaica. I wanted me and the man to go, but he decided not to go. I'm gonna go by myself. Long overdue vacation. True fee and papers not good. Well, it's good. He just didn't trust it. Like he think them would have stopped him when he might come back.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna go. Have my fun. Would you believe it, say, my mother. She don't know me now. Never met him before because me and her did Bex right before me was to left. You see when me left? Me supposed to stop in at Toronto. She know this. Him not know it,
Right.
but she know it. Because he don't know when I'm coming back at this point. Because we all catch up. Me here, say my sister in my house. The same house where me and him living at. And I don't
Yeah.
want her to come to. You know,
Yeah.
say I don't want the girl in my house now. I don't want her
Right.
nowhere. I don't want her nowhere near my man.
Right.
Because one day I came in from school, she don't wear shorts, you know. But as I bust the door, the girl run, gone, put on track pants. So right, that's why I don't trust her around the man.
No, hold on. So there's some things you tell us that you have to kind of explain it to. So basically, I said she don't wear shorts, but one day she end up a wear shorts round your man when you not there, and when you come in, she run go put on sweatpants.
Sweatpants, yes.
But and basically she don't wear shorts in general, but
She don't wear shorts.
But
Yeah.
hold on, no, hold on. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm driving.
Yeah. Did you put me on your car radio? Hello?
That's all. All right. But take you off.
Yeah, well,
'cause
yeah.
talk on the Bluetooth. Yeah.
Yeah, mash her up here with a distraction.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
all right. Okay, cool. So, all right, then, cool. I guess it's so you never trust her around your man. Okay, go on.
Nope. Not one thing. And then also she's promiscuous.
Okay.
All right. It comes with the same situation where they end up have to lock her in the mental institution.
Right.
It
So
comes
when
with
you
some
so
mental
you go
sickness.
Jamaica now and she what she there? She go at the yard with
All
them
right.
man.
So me decide for call one evening. I'm here sitting in at the background. So I said, who's that? Oh, Ray Tay come buy weed. I said, but you don't sell weed. Oh, me did have some weed, so me said me I'll sell her. I said, but you don't sell weed. You smoke weed. Right? That's when I get bringle and said, what is she even doing there?
Yeah, something that sound right there, so. Something that sound right there, so. If your man not
Right,
sell
that's why
weed
I'm not in love,
and
you
think,
know.
oh, him a tell you, say, him a sell her weed when him don't sell weed and she come for buy weed and him just choose to come and sell her. Something that sound, go on, tell me your side, go on, tell. Hello? 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 We love to hear the rest of this, you know, but me don't know, like, that thing that really balance up, you know. Talia, sometimes with this you have to, well, she get cut off. All right. But people just make me run the show, right? Right? Uno not have patience, and that's why uno can't do something like this. Me do this, and sometimes you have to be patient, okay? All right? But no instructions about, yeah, express an opinion, but don't tell me what to do, okay? All right? All right, good. It's interesting. I think I kind of see where it did a lead up to, which is not good. And things. So I am invested in this. I am vested in this mix-up. So I wouldn't mind hearing what may have occurred with the sister, you know? Yeah. And thing, you know? Oh, but yeah, people, you know, sometimes we get some call and whatever. Uno impatient. Uno just want, you know, that's not how this game runs. Sometimes you have to be patient. You have to listen and take time with some callers. And, you know, like one of the things I did you, so this is a caller where you have to pay attention because there might be stuff that I have to stop and elaborate for the listeners and the viewers and so forth and thing and whatever. But so let me run the show. All right. All right. Good. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. All right. How to subscribe someone else. Unfortunately, TikTok is not allowing you to do that right now. Starry madly state. Okay? So you can't give subscription to somebody else right now. TikTok is not allowing it. And I think it's because they're going to make some adjustments to their subscriber system on the 15th of this month. You know, so them send out all these things. So I think that's why it's not working right now. But you can subscribe for yourself. So each person who is not a subscriber, you can subscribe for yourself right now, okay? All right? So anybody who you're not yet a subscriber and you can be a subscriber right now, go ahead and do it right now, okay? And that would be you supporting this channel and thing. All right? Hello?
Yes, sorry about that.
No. Listen now. If we're gonna go on, I don't know if you can figure a way to just stop and focus on the call. You have more than 1,000 people listening you and thing, okay?
Yeah.
So, all right, just stop and just finish the call and we can go on, okay?
Okay.
All right. Yeah, man. So you're there at Jamaica, you call and your sister there, your yard and thing, and the gentleman I say he must sell her weed and you don't know what go on this. So yeah.
Yeah.
Go on.
Right. So we end up not talk for about 1, 2, 3 weeks because when me upset, and he know that. And he not call me neither. So me I say, I want to go on.
Right.
All right. So when it's time for me to leave now, I still don't call him. He's supposed to come pick me up at the airport. I still don't call him because he not call me. So I'm not call him. By this time it was 6 years relationship.
Oh, okay.
All right. So I'm saying this is kind of odd, you know. I mean, I usually get this behavior, but she know my business.
Okay.
So when me and him probably broke up 1 or 2 times, man all proposed to me in a little time we mash up and me still left the man who proposed to me, you know, and go back to this man, you know, who still don't propose to me, you know.
Okay.
and he need papers, but he knows I'm not marrying him if it's to do with papers.
Right.
Right. All right. I reach home now. Like the man want lick me. I said, what is not this? Oh, me go to Jamaica, me go do this, and me go do that, and me have money. One bag of everything is coming out. Everything what my sister knew, he's coming back to me with it. What my mother knew, it will come back to. But it's the Jamaica situation.
So you did have one little man at Jamaica where, you know, whatever, and them
No,
go back, go tell them go.
I hadn't. No, Raga, 1 second. I hadn't been to Jamaica in over 8 years.
Oh, okay.
Never have no little man at Jamaica
Okay.
before I went down.
Right.
Me meet couple man when me go there, me have cousin, me have beer cousin, me have and them friend them look at me and they see them and them like me. And the most I can do is go out with them. A beer beach me love, you know. So a
Right.
beer beach and beach party me go. And then on top of it, her man, my mom's man, every time I say, come, let's go, the man I say, you're not going nowhere. You're not going, so I would have to leave her. I can't take her. Her man is going to beat her if she go and come back.
Oh, your mother
So,
man?
I don't know if I true.
Hold on. Your mother man?
Yeah.
So hold on, where your mother man?
Yeah.
The Canada or Jamaica at this time?
Jamaica at
And
this
the-
point.
Right. So what you say,
Jamaica.
when you ask your mother man if he want to come out with you, what him say?
I didn't ask him if he wants to come
Oh.
with us.
Okay. But anyway,
Remember-
go and talk and get down to the nitty-gritty, because we think that there is a punchline that come up. Yeah.
Oh, there's a punchline coming.
Yeah. So,
So he's coming back to me with all my business from Jamaica and whatever was going on in the few years we were together. So I'm saying, them people are real dog shit, you know, for family, you know, because me not do them nothing. Like, for me to say I did them something wrong for them to do me that, no, I never. All right? So when I came home, beer weaving on my carpet in my bathroom, but I know how my sister them stay, so I know it's her that don't clean after themselves, so I know it's her leave. But I'm saying, how long could she have been here for all this week, all in my fucking bed, to hear that? You know, so I set that bed afire, Ragashanti. Right, because we had a roommate, we were renting out the basement too, and the roommate tried to like him want to play two woman. Me not play them game there. Don't do it around me. And he don't play that game either, so I don't know how he, you know, man is not going to really say nothing to their friend.
well, you depend on a whole bunch of things, you know, so you have to kind of guide we, you know. What you say
Okay,
about
so
the
I had a-
roommate and two woman? How that come in?
The roommate had let me know that one girl named so-and-so slept there with their baby.
Right.
The so-and-so is my sister, and she just have baby about 2-3 months good. But we had a spare room, and she said the baby was crying in the spare room. Meanwhile, she and the man in the bed naked. This is when I'm in Jamaica. So when I
okay. Just tell me about your man now and what happened now with him.
So my man and my sister, the girl is my sister, were in bed naked, and the baby was crying in the spare room by itself. And
Who tell you that?
my roommate's girlfriend.
So your sister did in your bed naked
With my man
with your man, and the baby did in a different room and cry by himself.
by
Right.
himself. And the lady gets up about 5:30 in the morning to get up and get ready for work.
So how she know say your sister did in the bed naked with your man?
She didn't know it was my sister. She asked me if I know somebody named Ray Tate, and I said, yeah, that's my sister. She said, well, I'm sorry to tell you this, but she was in the bed naked, and her baby was in the next room crying. She had to go wake them and go tell them that the baby is crying.
Wow.
All right, you know what, man, I got to deny everything. I saw me
Yeah.
set the bed afire.
Well, how you do that? How you do that?
One, I believe I used, I don't even remember what I used. I just seen red. I think I used rubbing alcohol and matches.
But where you put the mattress? Where you put the bed and the mattress?
I lit it right there, a fire in the room. Bonfire.
What? I
Yeah.
don't understand, but how can you do that though? You know.
When you're mad, Raga. I don't know.
So then what happened after you
He
light
outed
it a fight? What?
he outed it. I walked away and he outed it.
Oh.
I go sleep on my friend yard for about 2 weeks. Him ball, say it's not true. The woman is lying on him. One bag of things. And you know, when you're in love, you're just stupid. But Raga, before I went to Jamaica, do you know that I had a dream? So my mother I ride my man. I come in at the house and my mother I ride my man.
Before you go Jamaica, you did have a dream. So you walk in at your house and your mother I ride your man body.
Yep, it was a nightmare, not even a dream. It was a nightmare because he was up watching TV, and when I woke up, in the fear, I woke up, and he's like, "What's wrong, babe? What do you? I dream about?" And I told him, and he looked at me and said he would never do that. What kind of dream that you have? This is before I went to Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Yeah,
It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird to me too because when everything came out, I keep looking back at that dream, and my mother and the little girl look exactly alike.
Oh, so what happened after the bun bed thing now? What happened after that? And you go away for 2 weeks and thing. What happened after that?
Balling, begging, balling, begging, balling, and then me take him back. Me move back into the house, but me moving on one next room because me not sleeping at that room there. Me get one new bed and whatever. But to the way things were going on, you know, say I end up pack up and left and went back home to my home city. I didn't even say nothing to him. I just packed up and left one day. It's like my spirit was not settled.
Okay.
All right. Call me down. About 2-3 months. Call me down, say he loves me and start all over. But what he's not understanding is I still have this feeling. You're denying it. She's denying it. Everybody's telling me I'm delusional. I'm delulu. And it nothing like that would happen. Like he wouldn't do nothing. Because my dad knew him. My grandfather knew him. But only my mothers and my sisters didn't really get to know. Only one sister really knew him. 2 of them. Not the one that slept with him. A next one. And she's saying she can't believe it. Not him. She's like, every other dude that we've talked. Yeah, but not him. All right, take him back now. And we're definitely about one next year. So it's going on 7.5 years now. And then, Mr. said the man are going away. True, we move back, come to Toronto. Mr. the man are going away. Me getting good job, everything. Because remember, this is my city. Me have a link. And me getting one good job. And my sister him are going away. And I said, here what? He said, because it look like y'all try to come punk me off, me not doing this. And I left, and I told him, if you're not happy, leave. You know the man pack up in things and left. And when he left, a couple months later, said me hear the girl a breed.
Who a breed?
My sister.
So, but you don't know if him share breed for.
He claims that he rented a room in her house. Yes, I do know he breed her.
Well, him rent a room in a fair house?
One place she did a rent, him take one of the room them and go and help him with the rent. Cause at this point she about 6 kids and not one baby father.
Well, and are the same sister?
Are the same sister.
So when you tell him say him fi leave and thing, him not fi stay there, him fi leave. Him leave and go stay with the same sister?
The same sister.
In our room over there, him say, in our room over there, him go stay with, that him claim is a room he must stay in.
Yeah, that's him I tell everybody, because everybody's saying, oh, you're really there with her? For real? He's like, no, a landlord and tenant situation and one bag of rate.
And then after him go there, 2 months after thing, she reveals that she a breed?
About 4 months later, everybody find out she's breeding, but yeah.
She tell the people who she says she who breed her. She tell anybody.
By this time, everybody knows that I'm asleep because you know when people have enough kids.
No. Answer the question first. Who she say breeder?
She wasn't saying at first.
Okay, so she not tell nobody who breed her.
No.
So nobody no know. If you follow she, then nobody no know who breed her, right?
If you
According to
follow her.
okay,
Right.
but then you are saying now what everybody assumes say what?
No, everybody's saying it must be him because he's there, and the kids them will go there and go stay a weekend, or like cousins will go visit their cousins on the weekend. Because remember, she has 6 kids, and other
Yeah.
cousins will go there and go play with the cousins. But
Yeah.
the kids them are coming back and saying, Uncle Ray Tay, Auntie Ray Tay's boyfriend is in Auntie's room naked. So them know all the kids know he's my man, but he's in the room naked with that sister. So they're going back to their parents, and then their parents are coming back to me. And then we'll find out. So we just put 2 and 2 together and say, all right, she's pregnant for him. You see, when the baby born,
Yeah.
because he must say on a feed. All right, he must say on a feed. You see, when the baby born, no, as all hell broke loose, it's his baby.
Oh, so I'm on it now.
Well, he had to get the kid look just like him.
No, but me say just to be clear, him own it and say I feel picnic.
Yes,
Okay.
the baby's like 3, 4 now.
Damn.
Damn, that's not even the sad thing about it. Say, I look back on me and I tell him, say, in one with the married and everything. I said, this man is sick. Man really stay, sir? No, sir. I'm a tub no fuck. You must be sick, but not going back there.
Frankly, you'd be a damn idiot and you go out there. May I tell you that straight up. Yeah.
I said, I wonder if he doesn't know this because all of my begging and I ask, and like he's trying to show me that it's me in love. He just take a piece off of that day and she breed.
That's not take a piece. If all you tell is story and thing, them a dugu long time. Them did a dugu when you gone to Jamaica and probably did a dugu even before that to who for tell.
That's what I'm
and thing.
saying.
From she come in at the house and all them thing there whatever and thing. And then for you, I mean, if you tell him, say him have to leave the house, him have to leave the house, you can't knock him there, so. So but if him leg on the ends and the hold on, but if him hold on.
I said if you're not happy, I think you should just leave. If you're not happy in this relationship, then you leave.
Listen to me. Me I talk to you as a big man, you and whatever that and that. When a woman tell a grown man that and all them thing and whatever this and well, probably like you just a reach out and I say, I could work this thing out and thing. But if him not happy and him leave, right? Because you are telling him, say, oh, right, I know the way the thing set. I saw you did phrase it at first, you know. You see, you say, oh, you phrase it just now, and I saw you did phrase it when you tell her before. You say, based on how I'm going and whatever, you tell him to leave. I saw you did say it at first.
No.
Hold on. Let me talk now. I just tell you what you did say. Yet you say it different now. But may I say, if it was how you did say it formally, right, that you tell him to leave, right, and if you tell him for man to leave, and at your place really, you can't knock him for leave. However,
You're right.
However, if him a leave and the first place him go are your sister house and whatever, the same sister where suspicions were very, very strong, say him and her dugu. That can be interpreted like, yo, you did a move fall from long time, see? You did a move mucky for a long time, Mr. Man. You understand? And then now, in terms of what, was produced from that, him can't knock anybody for reach a conclusion and say, dog, so this is a go on all this time when we are asking if it's a go on and you denied. Him can't knock nobody for reach that conclusion and things, see? But what may I say is, if your man have 7 years, end up go breed your sister and thing like whatever and a drawback for you. Me not tell you what you have to do, but me sure everybody will listen right now. I say, boy, me don't know, me not think that would be a good idea if you go back in that situation. I remember we are your side of the story still. But that one they look mucky,
Me can't tell you this right here and now. I can tell you this right here and now. She not nothing over me. Not one thing. use him and abuse him. It's my sister. Yes, I understand that, but she make it up into war, not me. Cause me know better. Cause them not there. It's not like them there, you know. Them done there, in breeder and gone.
What you mean? He move out of the house?
Move out of the house, them never, I don't, to be honest, it's not like, oh, she owned the house or something. No, she was renting. And me don't know what happened, or it looked like when everybody find out, him find somewhere else go. Like, him and the girl never did that. Like, that's, to what I find out after the years, because I never spoke to nobody for like 2 years. And then when I come to find out everything, him all lock her up.
Lock her up for what?
She busting head and mash up in car one day because something he said. I tell you, say it's a girl when need mental help. She has mental issues.
All right, so let me ask you something now. Based on that now, you know, I hear people say blood thicker than water. Based on where you go through now, hold on. Based on where you go through now, what is the lesson? What is the thing you would never ever do again?
Bring people around my man.
Okay.
My family at that.
All right.
Because your blood is family is just family. Everybody says blood is thicker than water. It look like water thicker than blood to blood clot.
See.
Believe you me, you can't catch me. I do that to myself. I knew better from the beginning. But through the help, to be a big sister helping a little sister, that was what I did. And I tried. And it end up but you know what? I said, only God in heaven knows, because remember, we broke up about 2-3 times, you know. So I'm saying to myself, it looked like this is what God was basically trying to show me from the first time. Because it was bills and money that will mash up the first time. And then the second time, it was propaganda. And then I said to myself, no, sir, I can get better. And then see them find man were engaged to me in a space of 2-3 months. I may end up left the man and go back to this brother, only for him to come disrespect me.
Okay,
but
so
the same mother would turn around and do me what she do me is the same mother that told me stick to the evil way, you know, which I don't do that no more. You see, once I see a 1-2 red flag, I gone, you know, what kind of stick to the evil way, you know, I don't like evil, I'm not evil. So I'm not sticking to no evil.
Okay. All right, boy, you go through it that way and thing, you know, you have some lessons there that you learn, and they're tough lessons and thing, but apparently you seem to be making the appropriate adjustments that, you know, would be wise to make at this point. But thank you for sharing that with me, and on behalf of everybody on the TamFam, we just want to wish you all the best, yeah?
No, thank you very much.
Yeah, man, blessings, man, cool.
All right, take care. Good night.
There's actually a lot to unpack there, which leave it to no. Leave it to no. All right. Okay. We're juggler go down. Oh, well, look like that person was that was accident, and them come off soon as me I bring them on.
Man, thanks.
Hello.
Big up, yes. I feel like me got talk for me, everybody in a comment. You see me? You got Jamaica, you give the man, but you look, you never mommy. No disrespect, but you look, you never your mother, bro.
No. Hold on. I would like, I'm going to suggest to you that you say, your suspicion is Yeah, put it that way. They say your suspicion is. All right, go on talk now. Yeah.
Yeah, cause any idea you got Jamaica do the same thing him do, I just that him do it.
No, but you don't know that for a fact.
So that she say, our sister tell her business who she got deal with and them.
No, but then when I ask her pointedly, she said, no, she never do nothing like that.
But all me I say is like, you say allegedly, but at the same time, you see when one person have
No,
problem
but
with
but you're
different
right, you know, you're right, you know. Yes, there are things she did indicate convincingly say. There are
Yeah.
certain things she tell her sister and her mother where him go here and
Him.
she say her sister and her mother go tell him. So that you're right about and thing. What exactly those things are, she never really make that clear to it. Yeah, but go on. Mhm.
Yeah, but what me I say, but she said she go out with other man, bro. You see me I say my father. And not only that, you know, you see when a person have problem with different persons, sometimes the person need to check themselves because them are the problem. Because if you have problem with mother, sister, auntie, uncle, and you are say them are the problem, maybe you need to check self. And she said her sister crazy. Last time me I listened to the conversation, I never the sister on the bed. You know that style?
Yeah, so yeah, so that
That craziness on a different level.
on a different level for
And
bond,
then she go- and then-
for bond the bed in the apartment and
In
thing
the
or whatever.
apartment,
Yeah,
so if
yeah.
on the outside with her say she half crazy, but
That's why I ask her. I said, what you mean you bond the bed? Like where? And she said, right in there and I input out the fire. So when she said that in my mind, I can't keep it 100 with her till she called back. I said, Jano, you go start your bond a bed inside of the
house.
I remember his apartment, you know, so you mean say other people live in the complex ostensibly.
She don't care about no life.
Yeah, so you know, it suggests that she has, I mean, that would be a big deal, you know, for somebody who lose it and thing, but that sound a little extreme, the bun bed.
And then the next crazy card, she left from a crazy situation and go back in a crazy one. Because she said she go back to the man after all that. You see me? And as me, I said, I not try to bring her down. I just red flag that show. Mama, big up yourself next time.
No, but yeah, well, no, talking God truth. You know, so when you're outside of them situation and I look for it clear what you should do and what you should not have do. But let's be honest, a lot of we have been in situations where, you know, we go back or we see the sign them and we did go stay and whatever and then it turn and we reach a point where we say, you know, I didn't know a long time, I don't know why I never take myself out of that situation. We have many of us have been there, don't it?
Yeah, but you see that card there where pull Raga.
Yeah.
Who would you go back there, so? Remember, you know, I your sister that, you know. So if you go back there, so you want anything else come to you, know what that style is. Because if him can go to your sister, who him would go to?
No, but remember, you know, she said him denied, the two of them denied say anything did go on, you know. And she said when she let go and thing and whatever, and she said him beg it out for months, you know. So she can make an argument, say, no, anyone they know definitively say it did go on, mood to take him back. But I true him hold it right through, said nothing ever go on, and she hold it right through, said nothing ever go on. And that make me give him back a little chance, you know?
Nah, man, I rope setting Raga, man. You know what I say, man. I rope setting, low and rope.
You see it.
Mama, big up yourself, as I say, man, nah, bash you, but
Yeah.
you see me, sometimes we need to check self first. You see me, in a lot of situations where we feel like other people are the problem. Sometimes a week, enough time me are the problem of things and me have to check myself. So once you, as a person, can check yourself and wrong yourself when you're wrong, you will make better decisions.
No, man, that's true.
Sometimes the problem is self. More while you have to pray the mirror and know, say, yo, you know, so I need to fix that thing here. Cause if you always bypass your fault, cause no one is perfect. If you always bypass your faults and blame others, you will never get yourself right, you know.
And let me tell you why people with the bridging here say is important. And just to kind of extrapolate on it, there are many instances where you have people out there, them would detail all these problems and then we tell you where all these whole heap of different people from different scenario, all them wicked and the bad things where them do to them and whatever. And at no point you hear those people say anything like, yeah, and I really messed up here and I really need to check myself here and you know, yeah, this was bad with them do, but that was my fault because you know hear them say that and that is so important.
The other person, bro.
Yeah, it's really important.
For analyze yourself, man. Trust me, it will be a better world where if people can take responsibility for action. You know that style.
You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. No say a word, man.
Yeah, man, but big
Respect.
up yourself, man. I don't really have a story, but me I tell me I listen this from me and you before my born from in a mummy belly. You know that style.
Yeah, yeah,
Big up
give
yourself,
thanks,
man.
give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, old man raga, old man raga, old man
Yeah,
raga.
you never see me comment and say, Raga, I want jelly your clock now.
You see it, you see it, you see it. We tell them all the
Big up
while.
yourself,
Man, I
man.
seen you in a thing, you see it. All right, now
Real,
say a
man.
word, man.
I might
Safety and
take care of
protection,
things,
you know.
man.
It
Remember,
goes some,
hear
man.
that, man.
It
Big
goes
up.
some, man, my brother, man. Blessings. You hear, sir.
All right.
And big
Tough
up a lady who be here ball out, allegedly, because you know, Raga hear the background noise, you know. Big her up to that right next to you and thing, all right? In general, well, auntie, somebody there, so I tell you for watch her PUSSY and I chat. Christina, where you there? Let me see if I can block that person here, boy. Report. Well, I know, man. Somebody in the chat here tell us, we for watch our front. Okay. Right? All right. So Christina block them damn thing and whatever. Okay, I me block them on the tour, whatever, this and that. Yeah. All right. All right. We could see what go on, you know, cause you see when I mix up like this, you come in, you know. And people, me not want to vex, you know. But me have a deliberate thing with now. Me not go hide and talk. Me bring up everybody, you know, but me kind
Raga,
of
she
give
said
subs.
allegedly. You see me, I mean just jump off.
Oh,
Mute,
so we.
turn your microphone.
Oh, yeah, yeah, turn off your thing in that background there. Yeah, talk up, you know. Yeah, subscriber, talk up.
Good
Yeah.
evening, Raga.
And a good evening to you. What's
And
up?
thank you very much.
You're most welcome. All right.
Now, that lady, the story did kind of too all over the place. And it was very confusing at a point.
Yeah.
But we get it together now. We get it together allegedly.
Yeah. Right.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a little story for talk. I know really my story of people business. Come like people business and them something there.
Yeah.
I cover the chicken back and draw the chair.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Cover the chicken back. Cover the chicken back. Cover the chicken back. Queen Ash might pass your house and smell it and broke in there come thief your chicken back. The one Queen Ash.
Right.
Yeah. You
So me have to cover
understand.
it good.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I had a friend one time, me and her not really friend no more,
Yeah.
where me and her used to party all the time, go drink and do all of these things.
Seeing.
She had a personal boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Me never have no man, cause me did busy, look a bit busy.
Mm-hmm.
She have a boyfriend and a side nigga.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Our side nigga.
All right, well, on. You see, for the purpose of the algorithm,
No
use
use
the N-word, yeah, because it not know if it tell context, you know, you just hear the word and then start going.
Yeah, she have a boyfriend and a side man.
All right, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So she and her side man, when we go party and all, she leave the boyfriend at home and she and the side man go party and everything.
Yeah.
Now, she and the side man start get intimate, very regular.
Mm-hmm.
Our boyfriend was suspecting.
Mm-hmm.
The boyfriend come question me.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me and the boyfriend cool and me and the side man a friend and the whole we are friend together.
Yeah.
When the boyfriend come question me now, me say, sir, I don't know what you're talking about. Me confused about life.
Yeah.
And I've never seen or heard. And I've never questioned or unquestioned.
Zine.
So him say him suspect and me fi keep an eye out. Me say, yeah man, I got you, bro.
You
I'm
see.
on your side, bro. When the side man come, me go to the side man and say to the side man, say, you know, say such man a kind of ask look a question, so no kind of cool it down look a bit, you see me?
Yeah.
Because remember, I'm friends with both.
Boy, yeah.
Because she was my best friend, so me in the middle of everybody business.
Mm-hmm.
Now, after I go to the side man and explain and whatever, she said she not cool down nothing. She's doing what she's doing.
Okay.
Yeah, she do what she do, and she know
Yeah.
what she do.
So it look like the side man body did nice then, though.
Yeah, the side man, somebody sweeter more than the boyfriend one still.
A mix-up and blender time.
Yeah.
She said the side man makes she do things where she never know she could have did before.
Yeah, that's always a problem, you know.
Yeah.
Anytime the side man broke out the woman, them and whatever, and give them the new thing, you know. Yeah.
So the side man did give her a buzz, a little oomph, a little
Yeah. Yeah.
So she never did want to cool down the side man. And I say, all right then, if you cannot be good, be careful. Remember, me no have no man. So me free for all over. When now it come down to the boyfriend pop up at a party where we did there. The side man and she locked down in at the party.
Boom.
Me step outside to smoke a little skirt. And when me see the side man, me take out when me see the main man, me take out my phone quick, send a text. I say, such man there. The first name, I think the side man me did text because I feel name first did pop up. And them do what them I do. The boyfriend going at the party and I scope out him stand up at the door because him never know me see him. Him stand up at the door and him a scope out the block. Me don't send my warning already. So if them no one pop up after that, I feel them business that. When I walk back inside, the main man see me when I walk back inside and say, sis, wagwan. I say, wagwan, bro.
Yeah.
I never know say you come at them place and them something them, you know.
Yeah.
And me don't send my one already, so everybody head back supposed to secure.
You see.
When me look, now she and the side man still wrap up in a corner. The main man no do nothing more than say, yo sis, me I make a move, you know.
So wait, him see them. Him see them.
Him see them.
Him see them.
Because
Okay.
him stand up at the door and scope out the block.
Yeah.
So him say, sis, me I make a move, you know. Me say, all right then. 2 days later, I believe, smoke alarm where the lady should have in her house.
Smoke alarm go off, so we have to kind of give her a
Yes.
look. Well on. Back to business. The chicken back where you cover, it all right?
Yeah, man, I know my chicken back. I'm a friend. You know my friend there over she use the oven.
Oh, but the chicken back where you cover, who for chicken back? Are your friend chicken back?
No, I my chicken back, but she gonna eat some.
She gonna eat some, but me just want to know, say the chicken back all right. The chicken back
Yeah,
all
man,
right.
the chicken back cover up. The chicken back cover up.
Okay, yeah. No, we are set to priorities, right? No, don't laugh. It's serious. We have to protect the chicken back. We have to protect the chicken back.
Yeah,
One time.
protect the chicken back. 2 days later, after the incident, them people you see, man.
Yeah.
The boyfriend go in her phone and find video with the side man and she a do the do's.
Jesus.
That was after me tell them say cool it down. You know, should I delete, mama? You should have delete. Cause me tell her, me say you can't keep. When she show me the video, me say you can't keep them.
Well on. So you this see the video?
Yeah, me see long time. Man.
Well on, a good skin out and sitting.
A good skin out, foot up in her ear,
Miracle.
and head a touch floor, batty in the ear.
Jesus,
And
Lisa,
rivers
come.
of
A
Jordan.
mix-up and blender time.
And rivers of Jordan.
Rivers of Jordan is flowing.
Jesus.
Mercy.
So the boss see everything upside down and thing and whatever. Turn that over gymnastic and thing. Foot by shoulder, knee a touch ears and the whole of the good spread out. When flowers are bloom and all them sitting there, don't
Then
it?
Raga, let me tell you something. Me never know say I saw the girl was acrobatic.
See it there.
When me see the video, me say, no, mama man.
How she get in that position here?
And me can do all them lovely something, yeah?
No. Well, you can't, you know what that at you know. Worse if when a man see that he must say, but she never ever do that position here for me need. Yo, that
But
must
the thing
matter.
about it is for true in a Raga. Him never make the rivers of waters flow.
Jesus.
And the side man make the rivers of Jordan flow. And that did burn him.
Yes.
And that did really burn him still. Nothing else never burn him but the rivers of Jordan.
Yes.
When him find the video, him confront Madame Dearest.
Yeah.
And when him confront her, she say, it was a mistake. You know, all them lovely something, it was a mistake.
Yeah, mistake.
It was a drunk night.
Yeah.
And never she recorded it, him record it, and she never delete it and Ray.
Yeah.
The main man now catch me on the road. I was shopping and him see me on the road. And him say, I can't believe so you know all of them something and you never tell me.
Never tell me. Can him see your text too?
No, I never see my text. Because I didn't have my WhatsApp on disappearing mode.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, I know me active outside, you know, so me have to disappear certain things.
That's right. Right. Yeah.
So when now me tell my friends, when the man see me and confront me say, me tell you honest truth, you know, bro, me never know. Me never know, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down and make sure really do you that, bro.
Certainly not. Right.
Me never know, bro. I'm a feel shame in myself. So she really do them something.
Yeah, wickedness she do to you. Me not lie, you know.
A wicked piece of girl.
Jano.
I call her and tell her my mind. Him say, no, don't call her.
Yeah.
Cause me no want she know, so me tell you. Me say, all right then. Him say, since as I never know, me no want she tell you. Me no want she know, so me tell you. Me say, all right then, no say 40.
Yeah.
But me can't believe so the girl really do you that, my brother.
You see it.
And I think say, yo, you're not thing lucky and you're safe and everything. Me never know say that was possible.
Jano, all you hurt about it too.
I'm feel it in my soul.
Sure. Yeah. So how that end up with them though?
Well, she and the main man left.
Right.
But she and the side man still are ramping in my room.
See it there. To this day.
See it there. And the side man have him personal woman right now with a kid and everything. But them still are ramping in my room, you know?
So she have another man different, another main man
no,
different?
No, she turned lesbian.
What you mean?
She there with girls.
She there with girl now, but she still a do so with the side man, though.
I still a do so with the side man, and sometimes them play dandy shandy.
Threesome.
Yeah. 1 + 1 and 2 + 1 and then something.
Yeah, 1 + 1. You know, cock up is a 10 and tips is a out. And tips is a out. Dandy shandy good. Abscotch.
You jump here, I jump there.
Yeah, see it there. Yeah, because sometimes with hopscotch, you know, you jump in at the single box or sometimes you jump in at the double box.
Right. So sometimes she's single. You know, them love play around and 1 + 1.
Precisely. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But me and her are no friend again still. Me and her was good friend, but me and her are no friend again still.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But me did love people business, so me did have to tell her, Tony.
All right,
and I lie, she tell me a witness to, you know.
You see,
feel like a joke, I just how she talk, a real story.
Nah, man, nah, but a some, you see how she talk, a some mix up for talk. Hey, sometimes some people have some good mix up, you know, but they don't know for talk.
They don't know
so
for
come, yeah.
You have to add a little sugar and spice.
No, they don't a some mix up for talk. A some mix up for talk.
If she come here, I use the toilet in her bush, you better run.
I don't. No, but you can't knock her doing it. You can't say, anyway, she go say, yo, me see my bush, she keep it 100 already. She don't say, but you hear me tell us I love mix up. So why you gonna make me see her for?
Right.
Me never hide it.
Hey, me love mix up and for me, me only see you from me yard there, me knee and me a crawl.
See there.
Mother, grandmother, sister, nephew, everybody coming down.
Man.
So when me did find you up on TikTok, me say thank you, Jesus.
Glory.
I mix up and blend that
time. All right, that's a word, man. Big up yourself, you know, the 2 on the large up, you know, safety and protection, man. Mad thing.
Man.
people, me tell you something, you know. When I think, you know, I tell you, I say, as a farmer, a farmer, full-fledged bonner man, even when I risky thing with a bonner man thing, even bonner woman too, you know, you see, if you had a bonner man, or the bonner woman, and your role is to go on with the something of them, and that person that get hooked on the something of them, because you can get them for go on with something with them, not go on with them people. And them go get hooked on that. You see, if you can hold her ear and turn her head sideways and say, just lick the whole thing, come up now, do it. Go right at the top now, don't move now, cover your mouth on it now. All right, your mouth cover, flick it now, flick it. Yeah, me like that. You see how you broke? I read that, okay? That's something I read, you know, okay. But you see how you get all a woman do all them something and she not have a man who do all them something and you go broke her out in there. Why am I holding my instrument? Stop. Anyway, and you go broke her out in something like that and she get hooked on that something there and whatever. You have to be careful, you know. Because if a man find out, you know, a year say, yeah, go on them something there. Sometimes the man them want to do you something wicked, you know. Yeah, man, so all bonner man out there and bonner woman, listen to Marsh Raga right, you know. You see, if you know, say, I saw you roll with the people and people. You see, the minute you hear, say, the person find out, the owner find out and think, watch your head back, you know, because sometimes you have to ask them when find out, so we are do it and find out any details and whatever. You see, all the video something that we have to be careful with them thing there, you know, govern on the thing, you know. Yeah, you can do a little video and thing, yeah. But after you do back the video and thing and whatever, you delete it right away or you watch it back like 1 hour later and catch a little vibes and shut the next round or something. And check the phone if it's saving all your media in the cloud. If your phone have backup where it automatically a backup anything in the phone, if you check that, you have to go in that and delete that too. Second, somehow uno delete what the phone backup, but no know say WhatsApp have a different backup to an all them. Listen to me. If you need some consultation on this and whatever, this and that, talk to me. I have private consultations and you're going to have to pay for it, okay? But bonner man and bonner woman, beware. You see, if you turn out the people and people, you see, if you turn them out and make them do the something with them and all them thing there, you see, any of them come and say, yo, him find out. Right away you say, who him find out? Oh, him not see no video, you not tell him no details and thing and whatever. Yeah. Don't give him no details. Don't tell him when make me when me make you do. Don't tell him some of the things them what you do what you never do with him. You have to do that for your own safety because a guy will come look for you. And say, you come broke out my woman and all them something and you and boss here, put one in your, yeah, you have some of them who get mad by you, man, and come and blame you, you know. Hey, you have people who blame the bonner man and the bonner woman, you know, and now blame the man and woman, you know. Yeah, man, we take back the man and woman and eat the bonner man and the bonner woman, you know. You have people who do that, you know, and want do the bonner man and the bonner woman something, you know. Sometimes you have a man go look at woman, you know, have him woman, you know, and him go look at woman, you know. And the woman want him and him run her down, you know. And sometimes him not make the woman know say him have a woman, you know, and after him and her involve the woman find out and them go on. Or, you know, she know and she tell him, say, but you have a woman, love me. And him go pressure the woman, you know, and get the bonner woman, you know. And when the attack claps come down and thing, based on what him tell fame woman, you know, fame woman will forgive him, you know, and hear the bonner woman, you know, and want to do the bonner woman something, you know how much time them something they go on. and turn the bonnet woman in the demon, you know. That the time of them people who them forgive and take back, you know, because them want comfortable and thing and them want the safety there. And them need to hate somebody, them need to blame somebody, but them don't want to blame the person who them are going to take back. So them want to take out everything from the bonnet man and the bonnet woman. That's why, you know, you have look at things where you have to be careful. And this boning thing, you know, it's not for the weak. I used to find you a bonnet man and a bonnet woman. You have to make up your mind, so when certain things come at you, you have to defend yourself, here. Don't get too comfortable and believe say it's just smooth sailing. If you're a bonnet man or a bonnet woman, that's why I get where we come from, you know. You have some bad girl bonnet woman who them tell you straight, you know, oh, you never hear the same. You're the woman themself, and you take a girl man, you have to can defend it. A real thing, you know. When you take somebody man or take somebody woman, if you know a certain thing may reach you out of the blue, you may walk through the mall and somebody say, see your blood clot there, you blah, blah, blah. Now you better get in a shock and I say, what is this? I don't even know you. Right away you can know, say, yo, I probably, you know, probably certain people let me, boom, and kick off all the boy face and thing, or if him back out a machine, don't play hero, run. Don't play hero with gun. Run. If you know say you're a bonnet man, you have to can run fast. If he's a bonnet man, make sure you can run fast because somebody may move to you one day, you have to splat. And leg on the ends. I want me to know. Anyway. Yo, catch you up. No, sir, I make that show you nice. So listen to me. Yo. Remember, sub live later. Subscribers only live later. We're going to talk about something them as usual. You know what I say? Yeah, right. All who, if you're there and you're not subscribed to that channel yet and you can subscribe for yourself, do it right now. Hit the star with the circle at the bottom and subscribe to Ragashanti channel. And you know, say, you support the thing. And you know, say, yeah. You get to access to subscribers lives only. And we have an outer order sub live later. Chokisha, big up yourself, you know. Chokisha foundation, you know, people. And then I tell us the subscribers I make there, so I make this happen. If I big them up here. Well, a person, you see, true, me don't want a boss said, I will not take a girl, man, knowingly. All right? Cola Champion, big up yourself. You subscribe a long time, you know. Zaria. Weird. Jai, me think I jail that Zaria Jai box. Cookie Monstrous, big up. Can I join or subscribe first? No, you have to subscribe first, Mrs. Holloway, because if you come in there, TikTok are going to make you stay for 1 minute and then it's going to usher you out. Right? All right? Maddie say, Raga, your sound experience. Who, me? No. I just regurgitate stuff that I read, okay? Stuff that I read, right? That's all I'm doing. I regurgitate stuff. I replay stuff, you know? Right? You don't see my halo, right? I'm telling all the while, you know, when if I talk up to my halo, nobody over here no more innocent than me. Me never do nothing yet. Well, Mrs. Holloway, see you just subscribe there. Later on, we can talk up with something them not the sub live them, don't. Yeah, man, all who there, if you can't subscribe right now. Mrs. Holloway, you say, may I join? Mrs. Holloway, from you're a subscriber, you're automatically in there, darling. You're so cute. That was so cute. Mrs. Holloway is like, yeah, just subscribe. May I join? But Mrs. Holloway, though, let me be honest with you. We have different types of sub live, and some of them is out order, yeah? Some of them are going to be when I'm on my trips, like in November, I'm going to Thailand, so we'll have some sub live when I'm in Thailand. But this one down here, this one what we do now, most of what we do now, they're them out order here, Mrs. Holloway. I'm not making any assumptions about you, but the fact that you're subscribing, you say, may I join? It might be that you're not fully aware. In the sub live, we talk up with things. I'm here, the language is raw, the language is forthright, it's content from out of the show, and even the people who call in them speak freely. So I just want to warn people that the type of sub live that was gonna we're going to have after the show tonight, we're going to segue in it. It's raw, okay, and it is sexual. Owen Wright says, how you subscribe, Raga? Anybody who wants to subscribe right, you know, the star with the circle at the bottom of your device, you click that and then you can, it will guide you to subscribing. Again, there's a star with a circle around it. You want to tap that and it will instruct you how to do so, okay? All right, so anybody who can subscribe right now, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, Jamaica juggle and come over here, so right here. No! Hello.
Good night, Raga.
And a good night to you too, sir.
I make me there suck my tongue and I drop asleep with a little mix up.
Yeah, your tongue, yeah, so.
Yeah.
When you suck your tongue, you do it like that way. I don't know. I just know Jamaicans, which is them kind of bungs on the tongue, like.
Yeah, but some people do it like them push them tongue out, so you see them tongue. But me stuck it behind my teeth, so my bottom teeth kind of look long-ish.
Oh, so when you suck your tongue, it's a kind of hide and suck tongue, though.
Hide and suck, yeah, and put something over my face. Cause
okay. Wait, hold on. Andrew Blacks, big up yourself. You just subscribe. Mrs. Holloway, large up. You just subscribe. Love and blessings, man. Welcome to the family. Yeah, go on. Oh, wait, somebody else just subscribe. Who this now? Pretty Eyes 22. Big up yourself, you know. Welcome to the Ragashanti subscribers from Honey Badger. Big up yourself. Me see you. I see you. So, yeah, back to your good tongue, you know. What you say, no?
Why, Uncle Raga?
What's up?
The last time I was here, I talk about my ex-husband and my bonner man.
Mm-hmm.
So this time I got talk about the man where they would know. I want to tell you how me and him meet.
Yeah.
So I meet him on TikTok because I'm an upcoming artist.
Yeah.
So I normally go live and sing and so on and DJ. So you know, by doing that you're gonna meet people.
Yeah.
So I end up meet this white girl and me and her become friends.
Yeah.
So we exchange numbers and so we always correspond. So any little competition where where I keep on look at TikTok, she will link me. I say, all right, then so on. So first place I get this, second place, right.
Yeah.
So she did have a man. Because she live in America, you know.
Yeah.
And him live in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So she said to him, because, all right, let me just talk. So she add me to the live now. I say, oh, that's so and so, and he's a bad songwriter, Ray. So now we up on the live and we have vibe, and when me look, Mr. the man inbox me. So them time that me did a work at Portmore, me did take care of an old lady. So me never have no man. Me is single. So me send him my number and so on.
Whoa, this are a fear man?
A fear man, yeah, a fear man.
Him inbox you?
Yeah.
So when him inbox you, a neat little Sykes looking thing?
Him link me and say want me and him do a collab. Cause he want a female on him next track, you know?
Okay.
So
you send the number. All right, here's a big question. When you did send across your number, you did tell her, say, our man inbox you for your collab, you never said tell her.
No, I'm not tell her.
All right, go on talk. No, don't say nothing no more. Go on talk.
So now, I'm a tough fuck. Let me be honest. At the time, me never know him. Afterwards, she did tell me, but let me get in at it. Me never know her man. She just introduced me to him. Me never know her man them the time there. So let me explain myself properly.
Yes.
All right, so me send cross my number now and me and him text and so on and him send me rhythm and so. And one time I end up call him. So see from the one time I call him, every night we dey on call Raga. Video call and them something they all when me a beard. Him dey on the video call with me. If me a cook him dey on the video right through.
So hold on, when you a beard, him see you a beard?
Him see me a beard and I bend over and I show him what I go on and them something there.
Jesus. So hold on. So when you all swoop up and thing, you bend over and I show him like the good something done. Jesus.
I must say the
Yeah.
inside look pink and pretty, you know that
I mix up and blend that time.
So when the boss look up in a heaven's gate, him say, "Jeez, I'm in the pink and
Jesus, he
pretty."
never remember about the white girl again. A black in the feature. He's done with tricks right now.
Yeah, man, yeah. So go and talk, you know. Mm-hmm.
1 month run off now and something comedy. You see from me meet him now. Me say me nah go back for no more live. And the money me want, me find one man. Me never business about music no more.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Raga, 1 month in, because him at the time media St. Catherine and him live all the way at St. Anne.
Yeah.
So now I me have to work. So 1 month after now, like me and him with the panic call.
Mm-hmm.
He will come like when him come from work, and when me look 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night, he must say, babes, may I get a business call? Me so call you back. So when you look, all 3 hours end up on that the business call there.
Mm-hmm.
So me said the boy, your brother boy, I want me licking him face in anyway. Right. Him which business call them hours that night there 3 hours. Me did end up block him.
Yeah.
But then now, remember him send me a picture of the thing. And I say bombard. Me unblock him because me want to
Hold
see
on. Him send you a picture of him body?
Yeah.
And I want nice body?
Long.
This we're not clown out the thing or grounds out the thing, but like what make your body nice to you that you have to unblock him for that body there. What about that body there? The ladies them want to know. The ladies them want to know. What about that body there?
I said me don't know if I the angle or what, but it just look like one good size. And one the vein them turn up in it and everything. So me I say,
no, well, give it to the ladies them want to know, like about what size, you know say?
About a 9.5.
About a 9.5 and not
It's
girls.
lengthy and witty. It's lengthy and witty.
Lengthy and witty and thing and whatever and thing. And it did bend, them want to know if it did bend anywhere. Sexy
it have a little curve. It have a little one little curve, you know,
long
but
and
it looks good. Mm-hmm.
But the body looks so good. You say no, the body I deserve a unblock.
Unblock. So me unblock it.
Well, unblock for the cock. Well, we can't bother tonight. No, I make the show answer tonight. Man, I don't know where I go on. Don't even take time, man. On the wicked eat. Make it so nice. So. All right, go on, talk.
Raga, remember said them the time that me never know say, cause the girl I'm a friend, you know.
Yeah.
Become friends. Remember say she never tell me say, him and her link and him never tell me either.
Yeah.
Alright, so me I tell her now in God pants on late night calls and something. So me call my friend and me I say, girl, look a dirty boy, I feel like he can't take me for either. The man them we are artists. Then just horse. So me I go on, you know. And she tell me to run the boy. So me I say, girl, you know, want to see how the thing look.
Of course, Wallan is a different friend. This from the white friend. Right?
Yeah, the friend, that girl, I'm my good friend. We live at Jamaica.
Yeah, okay.
And she say, run with the boy, Ray. And me I say, girl, she not even know the size. And me end up sending her a 1v1 something. And she say, girl, just bust a one arm move pan him.
Yeah.
And I say, all right then. So me and him end up the cuss and me avoid him. Something. But me I say, boy, the picture way upon my mind.
Yeah, yes. Right,
so here when me do no Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Me link my boss now and say me want 2 weeks off from work.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me say me pack my bag from my workplace and go send and spend 1 week and then come back for stay up at my father's house for the next 1 week and then I go back at work.
Mm-hmm.
So Raga,
mm-hmm.
Me run one little prank pan him because me end up get him little brother number. Me say, Raga, I text the boy, I say, you know, say me and you done. Me can't bother with this no more. And then me link the brother now and tell the brother say, yo, tell me which and which bus fit take, come I go surprise him. So now, me no block the man now and nah deal with him. I block him again. I'm saying nah deal with him and the brother instruct me for which bus fit take and re. So when we reach down at the bottom of the hill, cause of our hilltop the man living now.
Yeah.
So when me reach at the bottom of the hill now and the brother come for me, come meet me down the road and we are go up me, I say, yo, oh him look alright and re. And I say, no man, the dog good man, the dog up there cook and something.
Mm-hmm.
So now me, when me reach at the man door now, me knock on the door and I say, him frightened. Cause man, his little sister in the house, him frightened. He not even know if him fi hug me up. He don't know what fi do.
Yeah.
No, we there and we have vibe and me I say to him, say no, everybody know, cause I want my start out. Cause remember I know plan say, me and my friend tell me say, me fi give him a wanna move.
Wanna move, sample it,
Yeah, so me get something for it now, I'm a beard off or something. And I say, Raga, cause me end up shave the something and everything and well clean up.
Nice and clean and red, Jesus.
Not ear bump, nothing, not even under me arm and leg me shave.
Smooth.
Smooth and
ready. Well oiled down and ready.
So Mr. Raga, and the boy tell me to go up on the bed now, I start take off my clothes and I go up on the bed. I say, when the man can decide say him not lock off the light, when the man drop his pants, Raga.
Yeah, what?
Jesus, baby, say. I shit up myself because when me see something just long out so like one donkey, me I say, blood.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Well, when you see the size and whatever, you want body come down.
Come here and say, a picture did not tell one wicked piece of like us. What?
What it bigger though?
Bigger, me I say, boom, I want me to take this and a long time me nah do no. I say, nah go bust me up.
Go on, yeah.
Anyways, so now Raga, me get the look sort out and me end up that snow. Me never bother. Me spend more than the 1 week.
No. Hold on. You can't do it that, man. You have to give it a little sense. So like when wait 1 second, don't move it. 1 second, because I think I need for okay. Oh, I see what I'm going on. Alright, you figure that out after. No, so this is like it's so big and heavy and thing like initially when it go through in my living room, no problem did they?
Yeah, me did have to tens up still.
No, when that happen, you always want tens up, you know, for tens up. At that time, you know, for relax. Him they tell you, oh, you for relax, though.
Yeah, cause over the phone, me they bad up myself, and I say, boy, me go broke back and me go boom flick and go on, cause me I say me a bad girl,
So him didn't know how to put it in the edge and just take time, wine it in and work it in. And work it in. Him know how to work it in little by little and thing and slide it up in and him do all of that.
Matter of fact, Raga, the man rub me down and kiss me up and so it wet, so it wasn't an issue.
Was it an issue? Okay, would it judge you? You just want to come past the part there so like you take a feed there. Go and talk. You don't do it again. You're out harder. Don't do it again. All right, go and talk now. Yeah, we're good now.
Me decide say, me I spend more than the 1 week. I'm like when me get.
Yeah.
Me up spend the full 2 weeks. When I look 3 weeks, turn into 1 month. Me no bother remember about work, all the people them call me for come take me things out of them house. Me can't left.
Yeah.
So me now, remember me I tell her say I did the white girl man.
Yeah.
So me now start video myself in the house and something and I post up. So mama me number.
Jesus God, Lord have mercy. No, Jesus. Anyway, go and talk.
Remember me never know.
Well on. Lauren J, big up yourself for your subscription. Love and blessings. And people, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to Ragashanti channel right now. All who are watching, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to Raga channel. Worse, if you don't want to come in at the sub live later, okay? All right, go on, talk.
Yeah, so me start video myself on a post up because the boy pay for do me ear and I feel nice. So I start post up myself on something. Only if you see mama text me and say, are you on so and so there? So me I say,
This
yeah.
are the white girl.
The white girl.
Yeah.
Me I say, yeah, about 3 months now. Me and him a talk. Me just tell her my business, you know, cause remember me no know him no tell me, she no tell me.
Oh.
So me know I brag about the boy or something. Only for your mama say, he's my fiance and I bought my ring so I could come to Jamaica and marry him. And mama show me the picture and mama start call him mother name, his sister name and everybody. So me I say, no man.
Oh God.
So me I say, and mama show me the ring. Mama show me screenshot of the thing. Like when they on video call, she screenshot him.
She screenshot him body. She screenshot him body and she send him body picture to them.
Send me it. Yes.
And it was indeed the same body, though.
It was.
You know the body. At that point, you know the body. So it was the same body.
I get it.
Yeah, actually, I get it upon the regular every night. So you know the body. And it was the same body. What night and day?
It was the same one. Okay. Yeah, the only time my front get rest.
Yeah.
I went that time the amount. That's the only time.
Only time at the moment. Okay, that only time. Apart from that, your day and night body.
Day and night. Sometimes I wonder man want go 3 hours and then no. The first round at 3 hours, you know, and they want the second round to be 2 hours. And the third round to be 1 hour. I don't know when you get so much.
One on 3 hours.
Yes, Raga.
Jeez and peace. Young and strong, man. Anyway, go on.
No, I mean I'm 40s.
In I'm 40s and well, okay, kudos to him. Him go on good. Yeah.
Tell about the countryman them.
The countryman them. Yes, yeah man, go and talk.
So no, me no know if me fi ball, me no know where me fi do. So me and her did the attack and me I say me end up call her me and her reason. And to mama tell me the things them Raga, me just feel away in myself. Me I say, look how my friend tell me say, give the man a wanna move and me can't get myself stuck here. So, you know that way there.
Mm-hmm.
So now, me now call him. And hear the man lie. Babes a lie she a tell. So me I say, me have the picture and she show me the call log. She screenshot the call log and send it come. Raga, you remember when me I tell her say, when me and him dep on call at 1 o'clock at night, him say him gone for business call.
Yeah, at them time they matter to she.
Call. When she can't make time for she. So me I tell him.
Well, probably him could have did that about recording things or something.
No,
I man. No, but me I say probably should have look a problem and him did just a help her with look a counseling or so. Him no, I don't must him do that. I'm just saying. It's possible.
I could have so that means the mama delusional then come mama buy ring me dear.
It's possible. All right, go out there.
I screenshot them now and something I make me call in little sister and the sister say, yes, I true, remember her, she promised me to buy this and she promised me to buy me that. So now me decide, say no, me vex. Me done with him. And me I go move out so the whole family come now and I talk to me and me say, alright then, cause me done left you work already and there. So me just easy. And she keep on a text him.
Wait 1 second. All who are watching live right, you know, if you're not following me yet, follow me now, okay? Everybody who are watching live, if you're not following me yet, follow me right now. Just hit the follow button and follow me right now. Go and talk, yeah? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so the girl keep on a text him and a cuss him and ray. So him is a man now, him not like confrontation, him not love the argument and so him a go just slow you make you go and do what you do. But me now, me start get insecure now. So me start search for him phone. As me give him liquor in knock out, so me just go through the phone.
Yeah.
So Me say, Mama, I text and I go on and I go on. So I say, alright, then me never got answer. One day no Raga, him come to me and I say, babes, look on the message your Mama send me, the white girl, where the white girl send him. Here, Mama, no. I know you miss my loving. And I can't believe you go what she say? I can't believe you go take up a girl that's young enough to be your daughter. And I saw Mama go on, and I tell me, I remember, this was like 2 months after when she tell me, say, well, me tell her, say, I'm my man. So she for just back off. Mama just determined. So me take the phone and me start text her. Cause Mama block me, She block me and I text my man. She brighty, I'm my man no, I'm my man no.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Well, she pass her place if she don't want acknowledge, say you take over the man from her, though.
Yeah,
Are you a
she
man
make it
now?
look like say, me deliberately take her man when you never tell me say I your man and him never tell me nothing. So you can't blame me the man if it she did actually. She never even did blame the man either. Me, she did blame and I cuss me out. Chum pum pum look better for her. But anyways.
Oh, you know say your pum pum look better than fear. You this if you are pum pum.
Yes, me see it, Raga. Between me and you, me see it.
Okay, it didn't have phone.
Raga, it look like it did I get enough eating. Long.
No, but you see it. Where you see it? Where you see it?
She sent me it.
What you mean send you it?
Raga, me deal with girls too.
Oh, but hold on. But when she did send it to you? When she sent it to you? Shh. When she sent it to you? When?
When she sent me her number, me and her become friends. I make she know say me into girls too. So we used to talk and something and she sent me it.
She sent you it. Okay. So what you say? It like it kind of stretch out look a bit.
Lean, it lean, Raga, and I first white girl me see with one black clit. Shh.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Oh God! Listen to me, man. And it look like probably, me don't know, it probably get some battering, when it black and blue.
She not ram for us.
She not ram for what?
She's a girl like this, like if she see me not text her, like she would have surprised me with a little video, them way there. And she use her 3 finger them open me it up and show me because
okay.
yeah, because me say it long till the black. Anyway.
Okay. Yeah, go and talk now. So when you do text her back now, what you say to her now?
I say my girl, cause me know some things about her now. I say my girl, why you text my man them thing there and your cousin say, oh, me no want him no more and him a wicked and re. Yet you text him with all of them look something here. So me start tell her me mind now. Me I say, member say your stepmother put you out. No, me say to her, I say, member say your father dead and you could even get the house and your stepmother get it and she throw you out. And you go up at the house, go broke the woman foot and them lock you up. And right now you're there now a mental hospital and you still a run down, my man. Just back the hell up, yeah. Just back up and go deal with Jesus.
No, yeah, wicked. They should have threw about them thing there in our face, yeah.
No, I mean, like, just back up, just back up now. You get the man now, and me even go as far as to try and be the bigger person. I'm apologize and me make sure say I really did not know. You get me? Cause you no say nothing to me. And it but to mama go and me did have to put her in her place, man. Because you know, remember say TikTok me meet her upon.
Yeah.
Me meet her on TikTok because of music. So now she start tell the rest of man them what me do. And I make it look like say me did actually know. So that's why me get out pan her and done.
No,
while
but
ago.
between me and you, though, right? Me and you reason. Nobody else. It's just between me and you. All who I watch, we don't even want them feel whatever. Talking God truth, though. When she did give her the link and I say, yo, you can, you know, I mean, a music too and whatever. She never give you no indication. You try and remember, man, to say.
Raga.
It never phrase, well, she never phrase it like to say, yo, me I deal with this bread junior. Joel, big up yourself. You just subscribe. See it there. Ragashanti subscription thing a shot. Oh, you mean? Well, anyway, she never give you no indication to say.
And I gotta tell her why me feel like she never tell me. You see, because she did send me her look at body parts and so on.
Yeah.
Me I said probably she would feel like say me would feel away. But she have to remember say me not straight out les and buy. So me no real business what you want to do with the front, mama.
Oh, okay. So true, you and I did have that little girly link then now. She wouldn't want to tell her if you make it go feel no way if you say, oh, how you doing, man, and me and you reason upon the level there and thing. I say, if you, okay, me see what you say. That is a reasonable assumption to say why she wouldn't really come out and make you know the 100 right this one thing. See?
So Raga, give a joke, give a sweet little joke. So what dear me and you see him such man. Me and him are reason about the situation.
Yeah.
So hear me now saying I get the money from her, hear him now. So me I say amount of money mama send me. So me I say, mama promise you if we come married and I send you not even $50.
Well, and the amount of money mama send what? Well, you say
money to me and never did I send no money to him. So me I make him know so she didn't like me.
When you and I did a reason like girl to girl, she did I send you money?
She just send me money and now send him none. She only promise him ring and green card.
Ring and green card and she just send you money.
And I send me money, Raga. Credit everything. My phone never to and I him the credit did that use for call.
Okay.
So me I laugh about it and me I say me I get the money and you I get promises. No, sir.
So all this thing I end up, you and him still a deal?
Yes, him there right now. Him I cook my dinner.
Him there right now?
Yeah, man, listen and I kin off in teeth. You
right,
want to say I, Raga, say I. Say I, come. Don't you know him can't see you have to talk?
Yeah, him can't just talk. Me not fi say, where you say big man?
But there I'm a general as a real Joe grind.
Yo, you know easy, you know, Papa, you know easy, you know. So the thing seal up, you know, with the queen now, duh.
Yeah, man, that's how you go, man. You can't disclose too much information in a certain situation until you know it's correct.
No, we understand. The thing balance up, But you hear what me I say, though? Me not care what nobody wants to say, you know. You see, as one man who take a thing serious, certain things serious, me just want to say big respect to the hour. You put it on for mama and make sure respect you, understand? You bless her with the strength and humble her and make her come round and... What the boss say? Make him man talk, man. What you say, Papa? What you say? She can't angle you, though.
Alright, bro.
Well, what the boss say? She can't angle you, though.
Raga.
What the boss say a while ago? When say a while ago? No, what the boss say a while ago? Yeah.
He said me fi tell you, so me I got tell you.
Yeah.
Me trouble with seizure and asthma. So one
Well, me I laugh already. Me I laugh already. Yeah, you trouble with Caesar asthma. Go and talk, you know. Yeah.
So, one day, see Raga. Me did a body him up because it through him did I take time with me.
Yeah.
Me did a body myself and I say him can't manage. And
Mm-hmm.
me a stand up what him not pay me no mind. Him just say, no worry yourself, man.
Mm-hmm.
And Raga in the night to see the boy you put it for me, see Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Why just trap me down? Me don't know him strong, so and me asthma take me and then now me go in a shock and get seizure, so
Mm-hmm.
him never know what wrong with me and did have to carry me go
Hospital,
hospital.
right. And
So
when him go
when the
hospital, when him
doctor
tell them, when him tell
when the doctor when the doctor ask him what triggered it off, him be honest and say, you know, say me have her upon her back and she just start shake.
yeah, him say, well, actually, doctor, we were, had her in a Bacchus position, and then she started convulsing terribly, trembling. She was convulsing on the body, and it was quite perplexing and thing. It was some severe trembling on the body and thing. Couldn't manage it and thing like that. So that's what happened.
I wish he had said it like that. The man just rather it. Man just rather move up on
But
the back of
yeah, but yeah,
I
what?
mean, I tell myself for the whole time, me in the emergency, every doctor and nurse will read that file, come and say, she,
Yeah,
she,
see her there.
them
See her, man.
call them
Yeah.
backers.
Yeah.
Backers, them call
No,
me.
your name is Asthma Bakas, Yeah. See her there, man. See her there over there, say Asthma Bakas. Asthma Bakas. Anyway, big up in the 200 bless upon yourself, strength and protection here. All right.
One next time, me give her next story.
You go
Next one
some man.
special.
All right, man. Honor and respect, man. Thing. See in blessings, man. Cool.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. Boy, I don't know what go on, Wish was nice tonight. Make a drink some of my beetroot. People, in the next 15, 20 minutes again, I tell you, we go sometime, because sometime when I do it, someone want to come vex up on me. We're going to segue over into a subscribers only live, right? So this show, for those of you who don't know, it is held Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. until 9 o'clock. Most of the time we go past 10 o'clock though. Again, this show is held Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. until 9 o'clock. Most night we go past 10 o'clock. It's best when you come on TikTok to just put in Ragashanti and come straight over here. Don't wait for a TikTok notification, okay? Millions of people on TikTok, so TikTok can't manage to notify everybody about everybody live. I want to know, so TikTok is live-centered, so millions of people are do live and things. So it's best that you just come on TikTok and come straight over here 6 o'clock after 6, right? Sometimes I start a little late. Mondays to Thursdays, right? On some of those days, though, we go to a subscribers only live. And right now, it's out order sub lives that we're doing, right? So we have the regular show, Mondays to Thursdays from 6 till 9, and we'll go later. But sometimes after the regular show, we go into a subscribers only live, which is saucy, right? And then on Fridays, most Fridays, not all, but most Fridays, we have a sub live straight show. It's just a straight sub live show, right? Straight show just for subscribers. And now it's out order sub lives that we're doing, right? So I play content from out order show from way back. People calling, see me like you see them calling, but it's different, because the subject matter is sex and thing, and we do it thing, all right? So if you want to be a part of that, naturally you have to subscribe. So we have a regular show where anybody can come to, and through to TikTok format and thing, we have special content for the people who pay them look much for subscription. So if you're listening right now and you're not a subscriber, right, you need to subscribe right now. All right? Subscribe right now. Secondly, also do remember my birthday party coming up. Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura. Ragabash. That is my birthday party and things. Saying it's a grown and sexy affair. A festive, a festive and jiggy and elegant grown and sexy party and thing. Right? Saturday, September 20th. That is little over 2 weeks and thing. Right? My birthday party. Make sure someone come support. I don't know, so it's all about laugh and dance and some good time. Good times, okay? If you need to buy tickets, you can text me directly at the following number. If you need to buy tickets for that party, which I want you to do, text me directly at the following number. 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. And Summer 85, it's at the Amazura in Queens, New York. Amazura in Queens, New York. See the people, I'm going to post it up there in the chat. Nice, right? It's at the Amazura, Queens, New York, Saturday, September 20th. It's a little over 2 weeks, right? And we are talking about music by DJ Roy, the legendary DJ Roy. Glamour Wayne will be playing music also. DJ Chris Cross will be playing music. Echo Vibe, Sound, Jimmy Q and Whole Works and a whole bunch of selector. Grown and sexy thing, you understand? 80s, 90s, early 2000s and them something there and whatever thing. Ragabash, Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party. Get there. Tickets are also available in the Bronx at Rockatoon Restaurant at 218 and White Plains Road, at the intersection of 218 and White Plains Road. Rockatoon Restaurant in the Bronx. Rockatoon Restaurant in the Bronx. Also in the Bronx, tickets are at People's Choice Furniture. People's Choice Furniture. People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. Tickets are in Mount Vernon at Just Jerk Restaurant. Just Jerk Restaurant, who will be doing the catering for Ragabash also, for the VIPs and the Ultra VIPs. Just Jerk Restaurant in Mount Vernon. Tickets are also in Queens at Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. Tickets are also in Queens at VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. And tickets is in Queens also at Nikki Couture. Nikki Couture. Parmeric. I know the address the out of my head, but Nikki Couture. And I don't know Nikki, we call in a nice up a thing. Tickets are in Queens, over at the East New York side, Canarsie side, Flatland side. Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands. Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands. Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands. That's in Brooklyn. Also in Brooklyn, we also have tickets there at Topaz 2 Restaurant. Topaz 2 Restaurant in Brooklyn. And again, what a lot of people are doing is they just text me at my number that they can get me at. And, they sell me the money and I'll send them the tickets, okay? Which is, again, 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. Ragabash, my birthday party. Ragashanti birthday party. Saturday, September 20th, a grown and sexy affair. Big people something about jiggy and festive and elegant. So be it good and put on your clothes and come out nice and clean and thing and come have a wonderful time. We're going party and we are going to laugh and we're going to give away some rose. Yes, we're going to give away some rose because we know so some woman needs some rose for help themselves. So we're going to give away, I'm going to give us some rose and thing. And people don't know and be things go on at my event, them, because we don't have to laugh. We don't have to laugh. I want to definitely have a dance to some good music. I think we're going to go on with the something them saying. I want to know, say, a CF thing, big, spacious, Amazura and things. So I don't know the thing. Amazura Queens is a place to be. Saturday, September 20th at my birthday party. Make sure you come. Bring your friend, call your friend, bring a friend, bring your gingeration, bring your relative. I want to come out, come party with Raga and make we have a wonderful time and thing as we usually do. All right, big up on yourself. Michelle says she need one of the rose them and things. So, all right, that's good. We line up that for you and thing. Everything is everything. People, before we go on, I'm going to take our next call. I have some friend in England, you know. So big up Craigton, who I fly all the way from over there. And I forward and thing, you know. I come the party and thing. All the way from London, I come the party. Craigton, big up yourself. I may have some other friend over there, you know. People know Shabba and thing and whatever. And, you know, one big up Red Ras and Janet Benbow. All right? Red Ras and Janet Benbow and thing. But people, you see Red Ras and Janet Benbow, I'm a two charge them, you know. But you see one Janet Benbow, we're good, you know. We're good, but Janet always run up her mouth like she a big cook and thing, you know, and she always say she know if a cook get her food and thing and whatever. And I go over there and over by Janet and thing and whatever. This is not a big deal, you know, but I just assure you, so sometimes you can't even follow people where people are saying of people. So a big woman like Janet Benbow, you know, over there cook and whatever, and Janet I make a dumpling them, you know, people. I'm a friend, you know, but she don't know if I make dumpling at all. When Janet make a dumpling them, the dumpling them look lumpy and stay bad and all them thing. You know, dumpling for round and thing and you sink in little bit and whatever and thing like that. And Janet Benbow cannot make dumpling. So I want to spread the word. And true now, our friend Red Ras now, you know, Red Ras can hold her one with the dumpling them and all these things and whatever. She a fight against Red Ras because Red Ras can. Red Ras, you there? Red Ras, you there? Me see earlier on in our chat, you know. Red Ras, you there? Yeah, but Janet, you're my friend and all them thing there, but nobody make no more dumpling, you know. That I feel. That out of your league, Janet. Me not see Red Ras say nothing. Janet, that out of your league. Right? Shabba, Red Ras, talk to Janet, tell her nobody make no more dumpling and a fear thing that she fi leave that alone. So Janet Benbow, your friend Raga tell you say, stop trying to make dumpling because you don't know how to make dumpling. And I can see some other people in there, I can know say them can't make dumpling good. Right? Let me see who I can say I know can't make dumpling good, you know. I can look at some name and then know say them people can't make dumpling good. Ruthie. Do it yourself live. She can't make dumpling good, right? Ver, big up yourself, you know. Ver, big up yourself. Ruthie can't make dumpling good. Sexy Gigi, she can't make dumpling good. You can't just tell. Queen Nash can't make dumpling good. Queen Nash cannot make dumpling good, right? Michelle H, big up yourself. What you saying? I miss none of Raga party. Make them know, yes. And think Queen Nash cannot make dumpling good. Dr. Mac can't make dumpling good. As you look on Dr. Mac, even her name, you just know say she baffan and thing. I don't know. She can't make dumpling good. All right, let me see now. Boss Janella, she can't make. They can't just tell from the name them, you know. Boss Janella, she can't make dumpling good. Right? Emily, I like you tell Emily, you cannot make dumpling good. Right? Emily, you cannot make dumpling good. You can't just tell. Not baby lips, you worse. You can't make dumpling good, right? And again, we just want to send out a condemnation to the people, Sonia and Delmarine and them people who need dumpling with spoon or foreign. When you come a foreign and I need flour with spoon and whatever. And if you go from yourself with them kind of slackness, the man. You understand? All I want who I need it need on a flower them with spoon and all them something down. No, go on, man. We don't trust you, no. We don't trust you, no. We don't trust you, no. Okay. Just I make that known. All I want need on a flower with spoon, we don't trust you, no. All right. We say what we are say. And then nobody can come drape and do it, no. Yeah. Yo, big up on yourself, you know. All right, we're going down in our sub live. Look from this subscribers only live. Look from this and thing. Let me take a look sip of my beetroot. We is our day here. Again, big up all subscribers. Big up all Ragashanti subscribers. You know, ratings and respect to you and thing. I want to make my day our evening time. I just want to say enough blessings and respect. Seeing what you right you know. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. Jesus God, the thing are full up, going down the line. Yo, greetings, good night. Hello. All right, now getting on a purse there. Lover girl, nah answer thing. We're going back to the chat. We're going back to the box over here. And we're going down the line. Watch your right. Hello. President, you see, sometimes you do them thing, then you have to like go down. All right. Going down the line, come on. Press the thing, them man it now. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna watch your ride. Let's go. Person now coming either going down the line. Check on the thing, sir. When I send up my request and accidentally send up a request. All right, people, remember to do that. Going down the line. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Wow, pretty one queen. Why go down, boo?
Raga, the way me I wait in the line, me say I'm lose all the mix-up vice.
Nah, man, you're there, I see you, man. I want me to you, man. You're good like that.
So the line long out the door.
Line long out the door, don't because the show, anytime the show adds, so you know, line long, yeah.
All bad juice buy, I couldn't even find it.
Talk to me, boo. Talk to me.
Based off of the lady, you know, based off of the story where you started since even with the mother and, you know, the mix-up where the two sisters, they put it that way there.
Yeah.
So, I have a local system where basically call my sister, you see it?
Yeah, 1 second. Norval, big up yourself for your subscription, Norval. Big up yourself for your subscription. Yeah.
When I basically call my sister.
Yeah.
And since I come in America, she kind of look a show. She kind of show me some ropes and me never know because, as me tell her, me did married, but my husband was one of them narcissists, like him just want keep you confined, you know, and you know certain things and, you know, like explore and know certain things and know certain ropes in a foreign, right?
Yeah.
So she kind of show me the ropes and show me, say, no. When him said, you can't, he should make me know, say, yeah, you can, right? Because it reached to a point where even when me forget all my green card and get my citizenship, it's like him did a whole tight on that. It's like him never want me know how to go about it.
See.
And so forth. And she make me know, say, if you have Medicaid, you can go to the Medicaid office, you can get a waiver fee, and you get all your things set. You see what I'm saying?
See.
That. So I kind of hold her close and say, all right, then she rate me.
Yeah.
She has shown me the ropes on them. But moving along, I realize, say, as time goes by, you know, as you said, some people mean you well, but you're nothing past them.
You're nothing past, right.
Then we do the things, then we show you the ropes, but them set away where you for always depend on them.
Right.
Them always feel like they are superior to you.
Right.
You understand? You know, feel them not at no point feel like them have either come to you or you for always come to them.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I
Right.
start learning over the time being. So that's way. So, you know,
Mm-hmm.
time goes by, things start happening for me. I start realize, say, okay, she mean me well, but she not really mean me no well.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Things start happen, like it happened that eventually my husband had passed away.
Mm-hmm.
All right. When he passed away, you know, you start getting a little social security, blah, 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 blah.
Mm-hmm.
And some have children, fees, so whatever. She start realizing, look, money start coming for me and all of them could something. Raga, some amount of bad face of me if you see. One time me order package and like when she come in from work and she see the package and she say my name, she will come in and knock at the door. Boom, boom. She knock at the door hard and drop all the packet. Bloop, like she vex. Cause she see me order package, she oh, every minute you order package, she don't understand why me order package. And me I say, what that for?
She said, oh, every minute you had a package, too much package I come here, man, you know?
Yeah.
That just sounds so absurd, you know? Yeah.
I mean, so what that for?
Yeah.
You know what I say? Till eventually, like she, you know, like we will cook and share and give each other. You know, like we will cook, we will send up food for her, she will cook, she will give me food. Eventually she'll talk about, oh, you don't want a food. So look at loose talk, me see notice. She will say, you're good man, you don't want a food and this, that and re. You're good, you can buy food, you have money. And I say, okay.
Well, she said them, yeah, when them start talk them way there, you know.
Yeah, you know, if you look at me, she'll throw some local word and whatever, and you know, so I say, okay, all right. So I start see some Wallipad thing and I just say, all right then, because we living at the same local. Because all me giving me time, my husband did have the house and in the rent she bought, and that's how we get close, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So since my husband die, Wallipad local things go down because when my husband did, me realize him take him name out of the house and left him brother name in the house. So all of them because something the brother start carrying go court for keep me and the kids them out of the house and what people look or something. And then it's like she start showing me some look a bad face and all kind of look or something. But you know, me as a little person, cause me I try to use the good over the bad. And I say bad to bad. She showed me some local ropes, but me still me not stupid, so me kind of keep it 100 now.
Yeah, balance
on the side, you know,
right.
and realize. So, all right, we realize that, like, even with our friends, and like she will have some man friend, and she always bring me around a man friend. But you know, the truth, me look good and him something. She always about, oh, look she's sexy and this, that, and rare. So me always wonder why she do that.
Yeah.
And she push me up to them like that, like, and then make it look like a joke, and you know, and I like that.
Yeah.
So, and we will go out, sometimes we'll go out and she'll go to that man friend and she'll about, the body and, you know, she'll slap on and I said, but me start to observe things and I said, no, something not right. So them start realize that the girl has test me on that style, you know.
Test you out.
Like she want to see if me or a man they would move to me or something.
Oh.
So it's like she test me on that style to see if you know, because she knows me look good enough, so I feel like she timid over that, you know. So it's like she test me on the style to say if a man them when them see me or something, if they move to me or any look of fishy things. So she always make it look like, oh no man, a friend I use a joke and say we are sister man and you have one, you have the other one, and you know, like she want to say we are sister wife and this, that and that and really. But me realize that she test me on that style. And she want to see if she do that and things send me that TM and end up good, you know, if she gets to realize who me.
See.
I say no, because at the end of the day, Raga, Me have a type and she have a type, and for man, them is definitely not my type.
See it there. See
You
it there.
understand? So
Yeah, man. Somebody
so she have
can
a
love
man
you,
and
care about you and thing and whatever, and at the same time they want to see a rise
yeah.
anyway, where
So
them are
she
going to
have a
say
man and
more than thing,
even we go out and him always say him two wife them and so, but we kind of keep him on a distance because when the time start I see like him start to get too personal and we are like touch up and like him and them too, like touchy and
Yeah.
we kind of keep him far. So one day he must did have some problem with internet box and she asked me if I can go over there. And for weeks me I dodge him like me not too want go over there. But me don't want to say nothing because as I said before, you have some friend, you can't tell them nothing, so the man are try to move to you because then next thing you feel like say you are trying to move to
Are
the
you
man.
right, that's true. Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I go over there. I eventually go over there. When I go over there, the man a touch me up, try push him hand down on my clothes.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, what kind of style that? So I say, say, yeah, talk to my sister, right? He must say, but she not have to know that. So I say, what kind of style is? So I say, what kind of man you is? So I say, I'm tell you something. Say, if you want me to be friend, don't try that again. Please, maybe don't ever try that again.
You make him know straight.
So me tell him, say, you know what? Me have a leg for myself. From this, I never bother go over back over me. I not say nothing to she.
See.
Because me see a thing move with her cousin girl she put at the house. Because her cousin come from Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Never know if you see and she put the cousin. The cousin I tell her, say, the man I moved to her. And she turn on, cuss all the cousin and tell the cousin, say, the cousin want him and the cousin a push up herself and the man
So
go
I
tell.
see him thing with a reach you then,
So the man, so I start to listen to her and I say, so I say to myself, so if me tell her that same way, should I flip it for me too?
See
Because the man flip the script and make it look like, say, the cousin a push up himself herself and him not want her and she could know she come with that kind of make believe story. You know what I'm saying?
You see it.
So no,
I want to bounce a couple more cards before I go into the sub live and thing and whatever.
yeah,
But the principle stand the same, Yeah.
So sometimes rather people want to see good for you, but you're not for the far than them.
And sometimes the most of the time in them situation, the people them don't even think that way. Them just live
That's
them
the
life,
point.
But them sit down and see something not going for you and interpret it in a competitive way where you're not supposed to even right.
The minute you feel like you're for the far than them, it's a different story. Them
A
start
problem.
all kind of feelings here.
All kind of feeling. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself, See you over in the sub life too, yeah?
All right, cool.
All right, Bobo, cool. Let me take about a couple of them before I go over in the sub live. Oh, let me see something. Hold on then. Yeah, it would be nice if we get about 6 more subscribers before we go over in the sub live. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now, all right? Just touch the star down at the bottom with the circle around it and just, come up in the subscription pack and things so that, you become a subscriber and a supporter of the channel and you get access to the exclusive content for subscribers, as will be the case at the end of this show when we transition over. So it would be nice if at least 6 more people would subscribe before we go over into the sub line, People, when you send up things in the chat for the box, don't come over here and I say like, don't ever read it. It's a couple times when you do that. When you say me ignore you for what? What me I ignore you with what not ever read it? What me I ignore you with? What? Tell me what me I ignore you with? Ever read it? All right, so the shoe I got all up for you now. What is it I'm ignoring you with? Ever read it? What me I ignore you with? Tell me now. Because it's not the first you do this, Ever read it? What me I ignore you with? Tell me now. Ever read a post from your comments? Every Rita, there's more than 1,000 people over here. Why you think me I ignore you? Your comments. Why you think me I ignore you? There's more than 1,000 people over here, every Rita. You're in the thing I say me I ignore your thing or whatever. Every Rita, stop it. Yeah? Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Stop it. And it's not the first you do it. Cut it out. Right? You're upon detention. It's not the first you do it, every Rita. Stop it, man. Okay? I don't like it. Man, I like it when people not go in at the chat with it. What about me? And I answer me. Whatever, okay? 1,100 odd people there every Rita. Bill, man. Okay? All right? And it's not the first time you do it. I'm tactfully and respectfully did kind of page about it already, and you still do it already. So you're in at the chat. You know, answer me. Just cool, man. You know, if you take time with me too, man. You know, say me not too good sometime too. So take time with me too, man.
If every Rita wipe your nose, Raga.
Every Rita want what?
Wipe your nose.
She want wipe my nose though. Every Rita Maroon say you want to clean bugu out of my nose. Maroon want go on. Tiffany, I want we there. They look like Tiffany. Tiffany, how you did there? How you gone? You find somebody? Anyway, yeah, Maroon, talk to me.
Raga left them because me
before your husband come, yeah.
Before I wake up, man, he must sleep. Me say, we there, yeah. In the kitchen, I cook.
Yeah.
So, go in the living room. And you know, me bend down and take up something off of the sofa. My husband pin me on the sofa, you see, Raga. Put on it on me now, see no Raga.
What you mean pull? Him push it down, him do that head thing that when push down your head in the sofa down. Yeah, so that nice, you know.
Alright, we have 2 dogs. One for me and one for him.
Yeah.
We have an American bully. So I stay down in office. And me have one Pekingese mixed with poodle.
But you have one what? What mixed with poodle?
Pekingese.
Oh, Pekingese, okay.
So my dog love me. Me say everywhere me turn my house, the little dog follow me. And he's so sensible. So what you see me, when me they run the dog, nobody can touch me, making see, you know.
Yeah.
So I wonder if the dog in love with me certain way. The dog jump up on the chair every minute, you know. Whoa, like I say, let her go.
Yeah.
He backs off the dog off a chair every time the dog jump up, you know. So when he might come.
Well, this is when he must start you, the dog jump up and go on.
Yes. So you see when he might come and return.
So hold on, we want to see it. So that means you in one backers position and he must send it up on your door. And you head down in a sofa, he must stand up on the ground and thing. And the dog jump up and a try bam. Because the dog see him put it on your door.
He put up 1 foot on the chair and one on the floor.
Yeah, me know that style, yeah.
Every minute Charlie jump up on the chair and he fling off Charlie off of the chair. Every minute Charlie jump up and fling him off.
Yeah.
The time I cover him and make that sound, Charlie give him a bite on his foot. Jump up and bite him, you know. He pick up Charlie. He get Charlie a kick him. You sons of a bitch.
Yeah, no man, Charlie I go low, man. Charlie I block the boss and work and thing. Then kick Charlie and say, you son of a bitch, right?
My husband white, you know. He say, you son
of a bitch. Oh,
him
white? Him white. Okay.
You sons of a bitch.
Yeah, Charlie I try block traffic, man. Charlie if you go, man. And thing after you did I take his strength and whatever, Charlie I come try going like him and black traffic. I saw them dog they stay them no knowing and true you probably did and they pan Charlie must think say you under some pain right
Hurt
up.
him, hurt me.
Yeah, I protect Charlie, I protect you. Charlie no know what go on. Charlie no have not a clue what go on. Charlie a look blacker, you know?
Yeah. Gone.
No, big up yourself, my hey, you don't know so the new talk now, you know. Yeah. And when the woman a get out them man a eat out them situation. You see what I say? And that they say, yeah, or if not, you done somebody, you just make them know. I ain't filing for shit. Okay. All right. Big up yourself, man. Love and blessings, man. Cool. Maroon come here, come bust it out. Them, you see it. Let them know. Yeah. Bubbles too cute, large up yourself, you know, everything, you know. I ain't filing for shit. Well, if you haven't been listening to the show, you're not gonna know what we are talking about and things saying. This other thing there. All right, what you right? Yeah. Well, I know. So greetings. Hello. Hello. Is I got through? Yes or no? Hello. We're about to go over another sub live, people. We're about to go over another sub live. All right. Nah, getting a response, yes, so you know. Seeing? All righty. Going down the line, probably like one more or two more before going at the sub live. Who for subscribe now before we go over so you can get access to that content. Hello?
What?
What? You're up now, we are here you. You can't go nowhere. We're done here you already. You can't talk nobody trying to stay silent. We're done here you already.
That was a mistake.
It was a mistake. No,
yes,
but
I'm in the UK. It's 2:37. Now my finger touch it. Sorry, Raga. Sorry.
okay, it's okay, Moy. It's okay, Moy. It's okay. Is everything okay? Is everything okay?
Raga, I'm so sorry. Take me down.
Okay, you're not gonna talk to me.
Not tonight.
Not tonight.
Or this morning.
Or
Not
this morning.
no.
Okay, because it's morning there in the UK. All right,
it's
big up yourself.
2:38.
Me know, man. No, man, I want if people from the UK listen to the show, you know, so we know it going on. So Kingston still up there, and the whole of them still up. Red Rat still up, you know. All right, big up yourself here. Well, before me take you down though, you in your own bed?
Yes, I do.
Okay, just want to confirm, so you in your own bed. Big up yourself. You in your own bed, a big foreign. Big up yourself here.
Ta-da.
All right. She's like, I don't want to talk. Man, I don't want to talk. Oh, we had one more subscriber just now, one Aquarian. So we are going. Let me see if we get the 6 subscribers before we're going. Did we get it? No, we need 5 more, but we're gonna go over another subscribe. So, all right, let me see if we can go. A little. I'm just giving a little preview of some of the content we're going to cover. Again, people, this is the outer order sub live. So the subject matter is sex-based, right? And then I play content from past outer order shows, which is was a sex entertainment talk show. So it's adult-oriented and things like that. So the content is rather saucy. All right. Let me see what I can go in a piece of something. Yeah, this was controversial. No, not play that one day. Let me see. Give me a second. Oh no. People again, me just want to know so the content for this thing, yeah, is it's troublesome, you know? It's troublesome. Let me see. Brown Eyes extended to a month. Yeah, Brown Eyes just extend our subscription and thing. Like, all right. All right, people, let me just make you know that one it heavy. This person end up say some things were really, really heavy. So some of it is not for the faint-hearted. All right, so yeah, and then some people give some reaction to it. And again, just want to remind us, so what is said here, some of this, it's kind of, it's some of the things that people would consider disgusting or awful or whatever, but you have the option to view it, to say this is educational, at least you know what some people are doing out there. You don't have to like it. Feel free to consider it disgusting. Feel free to say, nope, this is something you can't listen to. That's fine. We get it. Okay? We get it. But at the same time, just want to remind you that it's a platform for people to speak on matters that are adult, in their orientation, and that are graphic, and that are consistent with our Jamaican language and our Jamaican culture and our Jamaican mannerisms, albeit a part of Jamaica that many people are not from. Okay? All right, so here we go. I'm going to just go and look a preview at this. I want you to listen to this caller. I'm not going to play everything, but just give a preview of it, so I want to have some sense of what an outer order sub-live is like and what we are going to be discussing in right now. So again, just to be forewarned, it's heavy. It's not for everybody. So don't get upset and then be repulsed or disgusted or anything like that, okay? If it's not for you, it's not for you, and you just leave it alone, all right? Here we go.
All right, Mixup, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready. We've been ready.
All right. Me hear them people talk about so cocky nowadays.
Yeah.
And say, me used to live with one boy, right?
Uh-huh.
And me used to go in at evening time and cook me dinner, and me using wood near me food, like a fork.
Oh, what? Bomba! What you say? Oh, you use him wood near your food? What the blood clot?
Talk about.
What you do?
Wood not generally taste nice. So you have to cook your dinner, and you use the khaki in your plate like a fork. So you use the khaki feed you and feed yourself.
So him just stand up there and you just use the wood and just...
You sit down and you use your plate, right?
Yeah.
And you use him khaki in your plate and feed yourself, especially the gravy part.
Go see you suck up the gravy, no?
Yes, so you have to suck good. You have to suck, like some people don't like so good, you have to suck good with things where you like.
Oh, so like what kind of food you use it eat, What kind of food?
Yeah, and then same thing, the man. What the fuck you talk about? Anything, chicken back, anything you catch, and you cook with it.
Tambourine! No, that
man. Wipe out the plates. So you're so cocky. You have to so cocky with things where you like.
So basically some girl are so cocky and them not really know how to so cocky yet. And that you said, no?
No, you have to enjoy the cocky sucking. And if you love to cook and love to yam, that is me.
Okay.
That is how me do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then what else you eat with the cocky? Like what else other food where you like where you work with the cocky? Yeah?
Aki, him never like nothing cold pan him cocky. Come on, I really like cold.
Well on. So when you say Aki, cause him not like nothing cold pan him cocky, man.
You like nothing cold pan your cocky.
All right, this is a preview again, people. It's heavy. This is from 14 years ago. This is Ragashanti 14 years ago doing Outada and whatever. And many of you're familiar with Outada. Outada was an adult sex entertainment talk show. It was for adults and things like that. And so these are just content from those times and thing. And that is what we're about to cover. This is the type of content we cover in an outer order sublife. Not all the sublives are going to be outer order sublives. Again, I'll be traveling, to other countries, and I'll be doing sublives there, and they won't necessarily be outer order. Lady J355 said, I am here eating roast breadfruit and curry chicken and hearing this. Yeah, it's outrageous and thing, but it's entertaining in its own way. And again, the language is quite graphic and then raw and so forth. So again, it's not for everybody, but if you can bear it and listen to it, then fine. And she actually gets really graphic about some things that even I was like, you don't really do that and thing, something in reference to Vibes Cartel that she made mention, which we're going to play. So I'm going over in the sub live now. If anybody want to come over in the sub live, feel free to do so right now and thing, but we're going over right now. Okay, let me just check something right here. So let's see. Yeah, it would be nice if we have at least 4 more subscribers and thing. But anyway, I'll go over right now. See, we have pork and beer. Just subscribe. Big up yourself, pork and beer. Pork and beer. Okay. See it there? So the thing said. Anyway, we're going to go over right now. So let me see. Any quick question? Maroon said, I'm baking 2 potato pudding now. Maroon, I love you. You're awesome. Okay. All right. And for those of you who are here before I go over in the sub live, if you're not following me yet, follow me now. If you're watching and you're not following me yet, follow me right now. Okay. If you're watching and you're not following me yet, follow me right now. All right. If you're not following me yet, follow me right now. All right, and remember, Ragashanti Live is here Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m., right? Sometimes I start a little late, sometimes I start a little earlier, but I'm here from 6 p.m. And when you come over here to the show, just come straight over here. Don't wait for a notification from TikTok, because TikTok very often can't send to everybody, all right? So you just come on TikTok, put in Ragashanti, and you come over here, and you come enjoy the show. All right. See. Right. Yes. Thanks for explaining to people. Orlando, just subscribe and things. See it there. All right. Pauline, big up yourself. You're most welcome. Yeah, it would be nice if we get 2 more before we go in the sub live. 2 more subscribers before we go in the sub live. That would be nice. Yeah. Even though it going to come down back somewhere. Shams, big up yourself, all right? And for the other people who are not going to be in the sub live, sooner tomorrow, same place right here, tomorrow, Thursday at 6 o'clock, okay? And we juggle again, all right? For the regular show. Tashi, TikTok is not allowing people to gift subs right now. Again, TikTok is not allowing people to gift subs right now. You can only subscribe for yourself right now, okay? And again, I think after September 15, I think that will come back up under the new system, okay? But nobody can gift sub to another pro. Junior X, big up yourself, Papa, I see you, all right? But people can gift subs to others right now, okay? But you can subscribe for yourself. So it would be nice if we have 2 more before we go over. If not, I'm going to go over now anyway, okay? I'm going to put this back to start this back from the beginning so that... not yet. Okay. When will you be in the UK, Raga? I'm forward, man. I'm forward, and you will know when I'm forward, all right? Okay, blessings and respect, man. Cool. Saying, all right, people. 90 for those of you who are not going to be in the sub live, subscribers only live. Bless upon yourself. See you all tomorrow at 6 o'clock right here. Same place for Ragashanti page and thing for some more mix-up entertainment. You know the thing set, all right? Blessing. Oh, here we go. Mama C. Akua. That sound Ghanaian. Akua. Golden Lizzie, no, you can't share a sub right now. TikTok not allowing it. And thing, all right? TikTok not allowing it. And I think in terms of gifting subs, or, you know, you can, I would think that after September 15th, you know, it will, people will be able to do that again, okay? So we'll see. But right now you can't. You can only subscribe for yourself, right? Okay? All right. Puggins, you had a sub. What happened? Okay. Now I'm going over now, all right? Righty. Okay, so to the other folks who will not be in the sub, I'll see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. And for those of you who want to come in the sub, you can subscribe right now. Okay. I'll let go now.